My lord, this is a application regarding release of solatium for benefit in favor of the petitioner as per Annex 3, legal as per Annex 3.
So what is that solatium? What for the solatium?
Solatium, that is the person who expired by the accident of an unknown vehicle. That is a scheme of the government.
Accident by unknown vehicle. What is the scheme?
I
Please
have
tell me the scheme.
downloaded from the internet. This is the
We have not filed the scheme.
scheme to nahi gaya.
Scheme nahi to kemti dekhibi. Mu janibi kemti. I am not
download
master of
korchi.
all
There is a solution.
areas of. I mean, in government scheme भी सब जानती हैं.
Annex 5 representation.
Sir, scheme ta file करिवे ना. बिना scheme रे मु केमति जानिबी whether the government is giving for this kind of, I mean, ex gratia for this kind of matter or not. What is the scheme? या माने कोन? एटा कहारो?
government एटा transport.
यार किछ माने अछि. As per notification, there is provision for payment of compensation of 2 lakhs to legal heirs of the person died in hit and run case, blah, blah, blah. Where is this? Where from it comes? You have never written anywhere. How do I know that this is what document this is? Document ର ନାଁ ଟେ ଥିବ କି issue କରିଛି ତାଟା ନାଁ ଥିବ.
Monday aso scheme ଟା ମୁଁ download କରି ନେଇ
ଆପଣ scheme ଟା ଦେବେ ନା ଆଉ scheme ଟା ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ. That comes for the state to. Sir, don't you know that the scheme is required when you are just approaching the court? Taking the help of any scheme and asking for some relief on the strength of that scheme, is it not proper on your part to file the scheme? Should I tell you again and again?
Sorry, my lord.
So why are you not filing the scheme? You must file the scheme. Without that, how can I decide the matter? Every matter that's on that, some pretext or other getting that matter could have been easily disposed of within 2 minutes. You show me the scheme. If you are under the scheme, you will be getting the benefit. Matter ends.
Monday aso.
Monday हेबनी. ये जाओ 14-15 के बोला.
नायगा इतने देरी
देरी यार अपन लोकल है. That is
Wednesday at least.
Sorry.
My lord, Wednesday.
I can't. No. Sorry. If you don't file the scheme, you have to suffer.
My lord, Wednesday.
If you are so concerned about your clan, you should have filed the scheme, sir. That means you are not concerned about your clan.
Sorry, my lord.
You just concerned about your convenience. Sorry, I can't. As per your convenience, I can't give date. If you have not filed, you have to suffer. Not short date. I'll give in 21st August.
बहुत late है.
बहुत late है. I can't help. Sorry. Next item.
Item number 2.
7 at least 7 plus.
बिल्कुल नहीं. आपण scheme file करो तो. यदि आपण serious थांते scheme टा file लगे थांते. और कोड उठे उठे आले. Google ରୁ କାଢି ଦେଲେ Google କାଢି ଦେ scheme बोल देबे. scheme कोन माने अछि? scheme किछ अछि? लगे तो next Thursday लगे. Thursday file करिए. ता पूर्वरु. आ सेदिन scheme न लगलो सीधा dismiss
हम आनी physical दे देबे. Physical दे देबे इठी.
से जहां physically दियंतो but scheme you must show the scheme. Next Thursday का.
May I please your here I am challenging the order of transfer. The petitioner is working as a GRS Milord. That
transfer from where to where?
Where Milord? Rongi Lunda to Bhanjanagar Milord, which is 110 kilometers Milord. That GRS your lordship has deal with that small paid employee Milord who has been transferred.
Why you have been transferred?
That they mentioned that the collector has given a ground that on administrative ground he has been transferred below.
Many a time they don't write the ground. If they write the ground, your image will be tarnished in the eyes of the people. Because of that, they often ever write.
Said that
Sir,
where
these are very small paid employees.
Again.
Hardly 8,000, 9,000 rupees. If they are getting 8,000, 9,000 rupees,
ticket
we are transferring them to a 100 kilometer
Your
far off
last-
place.
last year, your
Entire money will be spent, rather they will spend more money on the travel only. Or suppose they have a separate establishment there also. The whole money will be spent there. What will they feed the?
Yes. Last time I discussed all these things with the collector and all these things. They said that those who have involved in misappropriation, all these irregularities.
Misappropriation, you can
Instead of disengaging them.
See, the same blog you can send it to different station. আচ্ছা one
এইটা
minute,
এইটা অলরেডি
ଗୋଟେ କଥା କହନ୍ତୁ ଯେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ମିସଆପ୍ରିପସନ କରୁଥିବ ସେ ନୂଆ ଷ୍ଟେସନ ସେ ଛାଡିଦବ ସେଠି ବି ସେ କରିବ ସେଠି ବି କରିବ ନା ନାହିଁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ତ ଫିର କଣ ଲାଭ କଣ ତାହେଲେ ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଫର ତାକୁ ଇନକନଭିନିଏନ୍ସ ହେଲା
ସେ ବୋଧେ
କାମ ଭଲରେ କରିବନି
ମୋଡିଫାଇ
ଆପଣ
ହେଇଯାଇଛି
କାମ ସଫର କରିବ ନା ନାହିଁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୋଡିଫାଇ ବୋଧେ ହେଇଯାଇଛି ଏଇ ସବୁ ଜିନିଷ ଏ ସବୁ ଯାକ କେସ୍ ବୋଧେ
they
modify
should
କରି-
have a proper SOP.
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
We have a transfer policy for these people. They are small paid employees. Why
But
should
man,
you transfer
but
them
this
to
case-
100? I think Rangai Lunda to Bhanjanagar must be 80. more than 80 kilometers.
110
so
kilometers.
far this case is concerned
Yeah.
he has already joined
Maybe
May master
110
transfer join
kilometers.
କରି ସାରିଲାଣି now he
Yes.
saying he duty already he joined in the place of transfer
Sir, why have you transferred? बेचारा क्या करेगा? He has to join. मरता क्या ना करता?
Already-
If you
already-
don't join, you will throw him out. So, that is not the ground. He has already joined. I'll cancel this order. Let him go back and join. जाए तो से collector
next week asu
I'll
let me
cancel.
obtain instruction
No, this is
I
not
think-
the way.
my lord, one thing
So what? Even a
Again,
person is
ଟିକେ-
suppose he is
ଟିକେ ସମୟ
engaged in
ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
some wrong
ଏଇ
activity.
ଭିତରେ ବହୁତ ଗୁଡା modify ହେଇଯାଇଛି
What
ଏଇଟା ବି
modify?
ହେଇଥାଇପାରେ।
You should have a policy. I've told.
Yes.
Government should have a policy of transfer to these small paid employees.
Yes.
They are
Yes.
hardly paying 8,000, 9,000 rupees.
Next
Why are you sending them
next week
to such
ରଖିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
a?
ମଙ୍ଗଳବାର ଦିନ ରଖନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଏଇଟା instruction ନେଇଛି what is the position
Tell your officer again. Then he'll come.
ଏଇଟା
Your
May
secretary
ମାସ
should come
transfer
again.
ଟା
No, no, this is not done. Why are you transferring them to such a distant place?
ମୁଁ ଟିକେ first time ଆଇଛି ମୁଁ ଟିକେ instruction
First time ଏଇଟା ନୁହେଁ ସବୁବେଳେ ଏଇଟା ଆସୁଛି in cases. ଏଇ case ମୁଁ କହୁନି. I mean general I'm saying. Why should you transfer a person to 110 kilometer, 80 kilometer, and we were giving him only 9,000 rupees a month?
ମୁଁ
How
ଦେଖିଲି
can he commute to that place and come back? Or how he will stay there, living behind his family? This is not done.
ମୁଁ ନେଇ ଆସୁଛି next week ଆସୁ ମଙ୍ଗଳବାର ବୁଧବାର ଦିନ ଆସୁ
So, in your place, somebody has joined.
No,
Somebody joined in your place.
yes
somebody,
want to-
that
somebody
is not
join.
my instruction, but I have joined below.
Huh?
I have
You
joined
have
in, the-
joined.
but in my,
No, I'll dispose it up. No, I don't want anything case सब dispose कर देंगे फटाफट आओ तमर ये करे भी wait कर भी नहीं
Your
Like a-
paragraph 5 of the
nothing
requisition.
doing
Paragraph 5 of the
paragraph
requisition,
5
I'm
कुछ
placing.
देखिए necessary
As per direction of the authority and being distributed so and so, the petitioner has joined on the present.
sir I'm not on that he has to be returned back to the original place or nearby place that is what I'm passing order
Noted date दियो ना।
nothing doing I'm not
Then you're-
I'm waiting for this like the petitioner is working as a multi-purpose assistant Gramin Rozgar Sevak at Rangai Lunda block in Golabandha Gram Panchayat in the district of Ganjam. The petitioner was compelled to join at a far off place. Which place?
that Bhanjanagar Milo,
Bhanjanagar
Bhanjanagar block.
block.
Right.
At Bhanjanagar block, which is about 110 kilometers from the
Rangailund.
current post, the from Rungai Lunda.
Yes.
Full stop. Learned Council of the State submits that he has been transferred on some administrative exigencies. Full stop. The so-called administrative exigencies cannot be a reason for transferring a low salaried person from to a far off place like Bhanjanagar, which will be inconducive for him to commute or to have a separate establishment for discharging his duty. Full stop. The state despite the fact that sorry, this court has time and again reiterated that the low paid salaried people should not be transferred to far off places, causing great inconveniences to their to commute or to separately or to have a separate establishment in the new place of posting. Full stop. It is made sorry. The Secretary Panchayati Raj was also called to this court to bring home the fact that there should a transfer policy for the Gram Rojgar Sevak, and that policy should entail intra-block transfer instead of inter-block transfer. Full stop. In the present case, whatever may be the administrative exigencies, the petitioner should not have been transferred to such a far off place. In such view of the matter, the collector Ganjam is directed to bring him nearer to his house, residence, nearer to his, any place nearer to his residence. Within 1 month from today. And nearer to the residence, or nearer to the residence is resident from which place?
No, that Rangelunda. That
Rangelunda.
within block Milo.
Nearer to the residence,
Here, you're
any,
saying,
sorry, any place within the same block,
Block.
same any place nearer Rangelunda block.
Yes,
Hala?
yes.
Nearer within Rangelunda block.
Block.
Hala?
Yes.
It is made clear that the collector Ganjam should be careful in transferring such people who transferring such low salaried people to a distant place, which causes them huge inconvenience and financial loss.
Yes.
Regarding disposal, within 1 month he is to take him back.
Obliged.
ये सैम ऑर्डर रखे तो जो जो सब उठे चिपके दे बारे
Item number 3,
नेक्स्ट
May I please, Lords? Petitioner file this writ petition for correction of date of birth, my lord. Petitioner is joined as
डेटा
birth, my lord.
what are you
And petitioner joined as Shiksha Sag in 2002 and was regularized in 2007, 2009. Pass service book was open. In the service book, the birth date of birth is wrongly entered 1965, but actually her date of birth is 1965.
actually what is that
65 wrongly entered 1963.
63
Yes, my lord.
so you approve the authority
Yes, my lord.
where is
It's
that
Annexure 4, my lord.
annex of what is this is the way you approve the authority. They must have some form.
rejected.
They must have some form. On what basis you are saying you are 63?
It's my
Your matric certificate?
yes,
What
metric
is the date of
certificate.
birth in matric certificate?
Metric certificate is Annexure. Annexure 8, page 18, Annexure 11.
11.
11.
Where is your matric certificate?
11. Annexure 11, page 18.
Bihar Vidyalaya Pariksha Samiti.
In this case, my lord,
Just a minute, just a minute. Where is your date of birth? Your date of birth 1960.
10th
এটা হাতে
April.
লেখা আছে হাতে লেখা আছে
Yes, the
Date of
Annexure 7.
সরি
6,
ম্যাডাম
se-
হাতে লেখা আছে।
kindly. Annexure
ମୁଁ କଥା ଶୁଣ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
এটা ହାତରେ ବୁଲାଇଛି
ଯେ ଆଉ ଟିକେ ଶୁଣି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
ଆଉ କଣ ଶୁଣିବି ହାତରେ ବୁଲାଇଛି ଆପଣ
ଏଇଟା Annexure 19 kindly Annexure 9 page 12
ଅର୍ଜି କରିକି ପୁରେଇ ଦେବେ ଆଉ ତାର କହିବେ ଡେଟ୍ ବେଶୀ 109 କଣ ଟା ଆପଣ ରିପିଟେସନ ଡାଟା
board of secondary education
ଆଜ୍ଞା
Nine-
ବୋର୍ଡ ଆପଣ ବିହାର ବୋର୍ଡ ପାସ୍ କରିଛନ୍ତି
ଏଇଟା city this is a city
ବିହାର
Bihar metric Bihar
ମ୍ୟାଟ୍ରିକ ଟା କୋଉଠୁ
Bihar
ତ ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ ଯୋଉ ଡେଟ୍ ଅଫ ବାର୍ଥ ଟା କୋଉଠୁ କୋଉଠୁ ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଖାଯାଏ ମ୍ୟାଟ୍ରିକ ଦେଖାଯାଏ ନା ସିଟି ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ ଦେଖାଯାଏ
city certificate ଟା
ସିଟି
ଦେଇଛି
ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ କାଇଁ ଦେଖିବେ ମ୍ୟାଟ୍ରିକ ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ ଡେଟ୍ ଅଫ ବାର୍ଥ ଅଲ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ ଦେଖାଯାଉଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ସିଟି ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ କାଇଁ ଦେଖିବେ
ତ kindly the school register my lord
Sir, school register have nothing to do with that school register. There may be a lot of mistake is there also. When your matric certificate is there, why should one go to the school certificate, school register, madam?
kindly see
Nothing
the
doing, I'm
9
not
to
going to say
65 my lord
Nothing doing. You
kindly
get a proper certificate. You have, see, suppose you say that certificate is right, but it is overwritten in a ink pen.
Not 6,
Yes.
5 is not overwriting,
Madam, you
madam.
show
9
them a proper certificate, you get a
is,
copy from there. When Bihar board asks for my original certificate lost, you can ask for another copy. There they will have the sufficiently new.
kindly annex sir 15,
No, I
madam.
am not going to say.
22.
Sorry.
The vigilance, the Bihar board
Bihar.
verify this date of birth. Annex sir 15, page 22, my lord.
There is a restriction in Odisha General Finance Rule,
Huh, kindly.
65. Yours is page 28, rejection order.
No, what you are saying something?
22, page 22, annex sir 15, my lord.
22. What is this? Aadhaar card. Aadhaar card is.
22, annex sir 15, my lord. Vigilance officer, Bihar School Examination Board,
Where is that?
annex sir 15, 20, page 22.
22. Madam, 22, it is your Aadhaar, unique identification authority of India, Aadhaar card.
20.
Aadhaar card
Sorry,
date of birth is
20.
not a correct date of birth.
Sorry,
All
23.
India through different.
20,
in
23,
Supreme
my lord.
Court in its different
Page
judgment
20.
says matric certificate is the correct.
Kindly page 23. Wrongly, I have mentioned
23, yes. Regarding the verification matriculation certificate mark sheet, please refer to certificate mark sheet have been verified from digitally as per the digital record mentioned below. Please report to you later regarding. Why don't you do one thing?
Your SIP.
I have a solution to the problem. Your authority should write a letter to the Bihar board.
exactly.
Just annex, just want to
yes.
take a passenger problem solve. Just a authority should write a letter to the Bihar board where from the certificate has been issued with along with the certificate that is given to you, photocopy of that, write to them and just get verified. If suppose see 65 Bihar board, then 65. If say they say 63, 63.
Yes,
What is the problem?
there is a difficulty.
Rohan, madam, I am telling in your favor. Why are you so anxious? I am trying to solve your issue. You do one thing, send your letter to the Bihar board, the chairman Bihar.
No, we are not disputing 65. We are not disputing.
Then what is the problem?
Problem is yourself come to page 28.
Problem is 28. Why didn't you take the problem orally?
No, हमको जे rules टा मुझे आसुची. Yourself come to page 28. Paragraph 7. Rejection order.
Rejection or your officer can say anything. I am trying to solve the issue.
आया rule टा कोची.
कौन rule टा कोची?
Yourself. Rule 65 of Orissa General Finance Rule as amended in Finance Department. You got it, page 28. Para 7.
कौन कहला rule?
Every person entering government service shall declare his or her date of birth, which shall not differ from any such declaration expressed or implied for any public purpose before entering service. The date of birth shall be supported by documentary evidence such as matriculation certificate, municipal birth certificate, and entered in higher service record. No alteration of the date of birth of government servants shall be made except in case of clerical error without proper approval of the state government.
Clerical error.
Can you pause there? I am telling you. He rightly or wrongly, he has given the certificate with 65. Date of birth is 65. Right? So there is some, I think, because it's photocopy, I may be wrong also. Because of the photocopy, it looks like something overwriting is done. Your officer might have also thought in the same way as I am thinking. Right? So when this is, there is a dispute, why don't you send it to the Bihar board for verification? Once they verify, okay, 65 is, then 65, he has not done anything.
ଏଇଟା ବୋଧେ relate back କରିବ appointment time କୁ ସେ ସମୟରେ ସେ
अरे sir, why are you on the लकीर का फकीर क्यों बन रहे हो भाई?
ଆଜ୍ଞା ହବନି
କାଇଁ ହବନି?
ଆଜ୍ଞା ମନକ ସେ
ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ହବ।
63 ସେ
ହବ।
ଯୋଉ ଦେଇଥିଲେ
ଆପଣ ଏଟା I don't know why the government is a pedantic approach.
I may pardon.
Just a minute. ଆପଣ ମୁଁ order learn consequence.
ମୁଁ
ଆପଣ କାଇଁ ଆପଣ dismiss କରାଇବାକୁ ଚାହୁଛନ୍ତି କି? Why are you so anxious to argue? I am trying to solve your problem, madam.
Yes.
If you just argue more, then I will dismiss it simply because of overwriting. Then you will suffer. I am trying to solve you. I am trying to help you, but you are not ready. What to do?
ମୁଁ counter ଟା file କରିଦଉଛି।
କିଛି counter ନାହିଁ ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ କାମ କରନ୍ତୁ ପଛେ counter କଥା within 1 month more
Okay, we are
problem
not
solved.
disputing her date or his date.
Then why are you saying this? Why it's not
First thing, my lord, rule restrict. Second thing,
what is the date of birth given in the your
63.
63
ଆପଣ 63 ଦେଇଥିଲେ ସବୁଥିରେ
ଦେଇଥିଲେ।
No, my lord.
ଆପଣ 63 ଦେଇଥିଲେ କି
No, my lord.
ଆଉ
This is a
କେମିତି
clerical mistake. ସେ ବୋଧେ କାହାକୁ 5ଟା 3 ଭଳିଆ ଦେଖାଇଛି ସେ 3 ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ସେଟା ଚାଲିଛି।
ଆପଣ ପୁରା ତାଙ୍କର
ଆଣନ୍ତୁ,
original
record
record ଆଣନ୍ତୁ
Yes.
original record ଆଣନ୍ତୁ ଏଟା
She is-
ତା ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଏଟା ବି କରନ୍ତୁ
She is, my lord.
Huh?
Okay, please. So she is going to retire in October, my lord.
ଓ ତାହେଲେ ତ ସେଠି ବି ରୁଲ ନା ଗଲା ରିଟାୟାରମେଣ୍ଟ ଫେକ୍ ଏଣ୍ଡ ରେ ହୁଏନି ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି ତ ସୁପ୍ରିମ କୋର୍ଟ
She is approaching the authority within 5 years, my lord. The clerical.
Sorry, ତାହେଲେ ହବନି ଫେକ୍ ଏଣ୍ଡ ରେ ହୁଏନି ମ୍ୟାଡାମ there is so many judgments in Supreme Court. You cannot alter your date of birth. I thought it just recently.
She,
Oh,
she
you
is-
should have told me
she
this
is
from the beginning.
she was given the representation to the authority
Sorry,
2012,
madam,
my lord.
reject question.
2012 but
They
given
have already,
representation. But the authority,
sorry. Okay. Already. Next one. So dismiss. I will dismiss. Already I am dismissed. I'll just write the reason for dismissal. Okay. उनाती से कथा fake and alter हुए.
ସେ 12 ମସିହାରେ ଦେଇଥିଲା 12 ମସିହାରେ ଦେଇଥିଲା representation ସେମାନେ କିଛି କଲେନି ବସିଗଲେ।
Madam, at the fake end of your career, you cannot.
ये block see block development authority
All these things I am not going to carry. Next. Avani, you know very well what you are trying, and you know very well that I am going
this
to.
is a clerical mistake, my lord. Clerical mistake may be rectified.
ଆପଣ ରିଟାୟାରମେଣ୍ଟ ଯାକ କୋଉଠି ଶୋଇଥିଲେ
12 ମସିହାରେ ଦେଇଥିଲି 13 14 15 16 representation
ଚେକ୍ କରିଥାନ୍ତେ ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହେଲା ନା ନାହିଁ ଆଉ ଫେକ୍ ଏଣ୍ଡ ରେ ଅକ୍ଟୋବର ରିଟାୟାର୍ଡ କରିବେ ଏବେ ଆଇଲେ ଚେଞ୍ଜ କରିବା ପାଇଁ
ଆମେ ରିଡ୍ କରିଥିଲୁ ଯେ ସେ ଆମ representation dispose reject କଲେ।
ସଂସାର ଗଲା ଆଉ ଛାଡ଼ନ୍ତୁ ନେକ୍ସଟ ନ କହିଲେ
Kindly.
ନେକ୍ସଟ ଆଇଟମ
Item number 4,
My lord, I am challenging annexure 3, my lord. That is the rejection of appeal, my lord. I prefer an appeal against the selection of Anganwadi worker, opposite part number 6.
what is the problem
My lord,
what is the problem
problem, my lord, they, without considering my qualification and experience, they rejected my appeal.
how can they reject just like that there must be some reason
My lord,
there must be some reason how can they reject just like that
reject, my lord, made that
why are you telling so lightly there must be some reason for
my lord, reason I am telling, my lord,
I'm telling
reason
the
that the advertisement,
what is the reason for dismissal
my lord, that is the advertisement was meant for the ST.
and you are
I am OBC.
from the beginning you have told that your case is already hara hua case lege aayo idhar
My lord, though I have an experience, I am
ଆପଣ experience ଥାଉ ଯଦି ST ପାଇଁ ଥିବ OBC ବାଲାକୁ କେମିତି ଦେବେ
that advertisement has not been disclosed, my lord, but advertisement, there is no such ground regarding.
come to advertisement That's
My
it.
lord. Notice ଯାଉ ହଜୁର
notice କଣ ପାଇଁ ଯିବ you will satisfy me then only notice will be
my
issued.
lord,
Is this show me the advertisement
advertisement kept next week I will.
no dismiss look out dismiss
My lord,
nothing doing if you are not able to show the advertisement
advertisement,
you
my lord,
yourself
unable.
saying, you yourself saying that it is meant for ST but I am an OBC then on what basis
My lord,
you
as per the appellate authority order, my lord, but advertisement is unable to trace out
you have advertisement
in the
First
year.
time ସେ ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି ସେ ଦବା
okay let the advertisement go. Okay let us ask the state to obtain the advertisement for the recruitment of Anganwadi worker
para last para of the appellate authority also clearly
let's see we should see some document
this for ST candidate.
I'm giving a short date 8th August get the advertisement that's all on the advertisement we will finish nothing is there so deliberately you have not filed the advertisement because you will be
No, my lord, I have not.
yes,
I have
yes.
not with me, my lord.
No, sir.
That is the
Why are
advertisement
you
is.
showing that? Why didn't you file? Don't you know that advertisement will be required by the court? You are filing cases regularly. Do you know
Well-
what are the documents that is required?
That is the fault of
Then-
mine, my lord.
Not, you should, deliberately you have not filed. Deliberately not filed. Let me tell you very frankly. Because you will be caught immediately. Your mistake will be caught. This is not done. You should have filed it. Don't suppress. You have to, whatever document required, you must file it. Don't suppress. If you suppress, then you will suffer. Don't blame it.
8th August, my lord.
8th August.
Public.
Item number 5.
May I please be for
Unless I am satisfied, I never issue notice, remember. That's the, I mean, you should not say, oh, you issue notice, Riji. आज्ञा हम notice issue करे देली बोले client को जाकर कहबी आज्ञा एटा dismiss करबी बोले कहि देथां आगु का आपण advertisement नहीं किया सर next
May I please be for My lord, the petitioner pension account has been freezed by the UCO Bank in
Why?
Nimapura branch.
why
My lord, in 2006, my lord, 18,000 vehicle, two-wheeler vehicle loan has been given. And the petitioner's account since 1982.
can you repeat? You had taken a vehicle loan.
Vehicle loan in 26 May 2006. In 18,000.
2006 ରେ ଦେଇଥିଲେ
6
rupees 18,000
18,000.
କଣ vehicle କିଣିଥିଲେ
ଏ ଲୁନା ସେ ଗୋଟେ TFR କଣ ଗୋଟେ
Luna,
କିଣିଥିଲେ।
okay
ତ
18,000 ଦେଇଥିଲେ ତାପରେ
My account since my lord opened in the UCO Bank 7/10 to
so
1980.
you are paying the EMI.
No, my lord, they have not deducted till today. All of a sudden, my account has been freezed. Pension account.
ଆପଣ ଲୋନ ନେଇଥିବେ ନା
ସେ bank ରୁ ନେଇଥିଲୁ।
ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଲୋନ ନେଇଥିଲେ ତ ଲୋନ ନେଇଥିଲେ ଆପଣ ଆପଣ କେତେଟା ଇନଷ୍ଟଲମେଣ୍ଟ ନେଇଥିଲେ
EMI deduction କରିବା ପାଇଁ କି ସେ କଣ କହିଥିଲେ ଇଏ ବୁଢା ଲୋକ ଆଉ ଜାଣିନାହାନ୍ତି 80 years old account ସେ pension
କି
ପାଉଛନ୍ତି।
ବଢିଆ ଲଜିକ ଆଉ ବୁଢା ଲୋକ ଜାଣେ ସବୁ ବୁଢା ଲୋକ ମାନେ ତାହେଲେ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଲୋନ ଫ୍ରି ଆଉ
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ
ବୁଢା ଲୋକ ମାନେ ଜାଣିବେନି ଆପଣ ଚାକିରି କରୁଥିଲେ ପରା
ରିଟାୟାର୍ଡ କରିଛି
କୋଉଠି ଚାକିରି କରୁଥିଲେ
ତହସିଲ ଅଫିସ ରେ
ତହସିଲ ଅଫିସରେ କଣ ଥିଲେ
ଯେ ଯୋଉ ରେଣ୍ଟ ରିସିପ୍ଟ କଲେକ୍ସନ କରୁଥିଲେ।
ରେଣ୍ଟ ରିସିପ୍ଟ କଲେକ୍ସନ କରୁଥିଲେ ଆଉ ଆପଣ ଜାଣିପାରିଲେନି ଯେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଲୋନ ନେଇଛନ୍ତି ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟ କଟିଲା ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କକୁ କଣ୍ଟାକ୍ଟ କଲେନି
Earlier, my lord, other loans are they have given. My pension account has been, I was settled in that loan and earlier it
you
also
pay,
I have
pay back
given
them
reference.
otherwise there will be provision only.
Your lordship, I have given reference, my lord.
What is the loan outstanding now
Outstanding now, my lord, it is 53,556.
pay 53,000 then
65,000,
pay
65,000.
53,000
Hmm?
pay back 53,000 whatever loan interest blah 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 for the last so many years
My lord, for lordship, I will settle the amount, my lord, my account.
no
they
unless you
only-
settle they will the bank will not know
Pension account cannot stop, my lord. Your lordship, have a, your lordship, I have stated in para 6, your I have a glance, your lordship, in my petition.
I know that pension account should not be stopped but what about the conduct of the
But no, my lord, the petitioner thought that.
when you pay that means subject to your payment and I'll defray it
Yes, I will repay.
when
They will settle in, my lord, in settlement scheme, my lord. I will,
as settlement scheme when are you going to pay outstanding amount
my lord, within the 4-5 months, my lord, I will pay.
who is the
I
bank
will-
counsel anybody from the bank UCO bank here
UCO Bank.
I'll-
Nimapura branch.
UCO bank
Yes, notice you.
do one thing, take notice. Learn counsel for the UCO bank, Mr. Waits of notice on behalf of the bank. Give a copy.
Yes, my lord, already.
Take instruction.
My lord.
See, is it
Yes.
pension holder? So
I'll take
if-
instruction.
If possible, just in 2-3 installment, let him pay.
Yes.
And he defreeze the account so that he can operate his account. Well, he can't be, otherwise he can operate.
I'll
And he
take
can't pay also if you don't
Yes,
defreeze it, right?
Yes.
So the learn consequence is bank to take instruction regarding the outstanding amount of the loan as well as the so just give him 2-3
Yes.
installment. 2-3-4 installment, then he can pay it back because he's a retired man. You can't just because anyways it was not deducted from his account. I don't know whose fault it is, his fault or your fault, I don't know. But try to solve the problem. Please the matter on 7th.
My-
Item number 6.
6.
And the petitioner has prayed for a direction to the opposite party bank to consider his case as per the scheme by the annexure 3, my lord.
The scheme is available now.
Yes, my lord. Your lordship has directed in several cases. One of the case. One of the order I am giving, my lord.
I am appearing for the bank, just now saw the copy. The scheme is there for consideration. Let us file a representation. and-
That is there.
You,
That-
you just.
Your lordship has passed several matters on one
Urban Cooperative Bank.
or one.
Just try to sort out this.
And all these matters have been solved. My lord. They have
Then
paid,
it's
they repaid the amount and.
That's
that is-
very good.
My appearance.
This is
can-
this is the real solution, and just you say
Yes,
something.
because
you
of,
consider.
Because of your lordship intervention, the bank has now come to a settled position.
I've maintained the one stand. The court is always a facilitator.
That is
Nothing
why
beyond that.
it has
If you
previously
can
lost.
facilitate the solution, the settlement, that is very good. I mean,
Now some
problem should be
amounts
solved.
as bad debt has.
Only disposal should not be here, should be there also, proper display.
My
Next.
name may be there, Siddharth.
No. Next,
Item number 7.
Trade Trading Corporation, Arva.
Appearing for the respondent. I think if according to my instructions, it has become instructors.
I am appearing with.
He is appearing with
Who is
me.
for the, you are for the Balesar LOS.
Yes, I am for
Who is for
Balasara.
the State Trading Corporation?
That arises out of a arbitration
STC,
proceeding.
the central government.
No, it is that they were appearing private parties. State trading, STC was appearing through
State
private
Trading
counsel.
Corporation, private.
They were appearing through private counsel. Some other counsel was appearing.
Ah.
But now this is arises out of a arbitration proceeding. Arbitration is long over. So I think they are not interested. Last date also none appeared. I will also kindly
Just,
see the records. I am not very sure.
I'm just, then it's pending since long, yeah. No, respondent, last time also respondent. Why are you not written with this?
Twenty-five one.
Non-appeared for the petitioner क्या लिखूं? क्या लिखी थी? क्या बोले? LB. नहीं तो मैं A B से क्या बोल? Non-appeared as requested by learned counsel for the present petitioner अच्छी ना लिख भी नहीं. कितना कोई भी? Okay. Non-appears for the petitioner. Learned counsel for the respondent. Mr. Das. Admits that the matter has already been infructuous. Because of
The arbitration proceeding long about, so challenging some interlocutory petition, this was filed.
Oh.
Now arbitration is long over.
since the arbitration is long over, and this was challenge to interlocutory order passed by the district judge Balesar in ARBP number 109 of 2014. This order challenges that order.
That status quo order they had challenged,
ARBP number 109 of.
that
2014.
arbitration proceeding is now over, my lords.
No, I know, but what was, I mean, challenge was for what?
Was the order of status. Expert the order of status quo was they had challenged. But in
Yes,
the
yes.
meantime, arbitration proceeding is over.
The arbitration put is over, in fact, this was
I think they have already realized the portion of the money. Obliged.
simply dispose of, because
Obliged.
there is infraction. Next,
Item number 8.
8.
Excuse me, Lord. Lord, the Solicitor General took time to give an affidavit whether they are accepting my proposal for a repayment of the dues under compromise, my lord.
This is, who is the opposite
Twice
party?
they have taken time.
Who is the opposite party?
Union of India, my lord.
Rashtriya Mahila Kosh.
Yes, my lord. I've had a loan from Rashtriya Malakoso. I want to clear the dues under a compromise basis, my lord, by some installments. And my lord, please to direct them for
Madam,
take
Madam, you
instruction.
are appearing
Yes,
for Rashtriya
yes,
Mahila Kosh?
yes, ma'am.
We have sent the proposal to the ministry, that is, the file is pending in the office. They have, today morning only I had contact with them. They have stated that the file is still pending. But your lordship may dispose of as
Yes,
per your lordship's convenience.
But file is pending, you are saying.
The file is pending in the ministry.
Then why should I dispose it? Let it,
Let them take time.
Land Council of the Union of India. Submit that. The file is under process before the Rashtriya Mahila Kosh, Government of India, under Ministry of Women and Child Development. And see, 1 month time.
Yes.
To get the outcome. To get the outcome of the. It's a matter on September 11th. September 11th.
But item 20 also similar matter,
20.
same. Batch of
Name may-
cases, same.
My name may be reflected in different cases.
You give your
Along with
name.
Planet
Give your name here.
Yes, sir. Obliged.
20 matter, same.
Those whose name are not there in the file, please give the name. Otherwise, your name may not be.
My lord,
Next.
item 20 also similar matter, my lord.
20.
My lord.
Yeah, 20 is same order.
Item
Next.
number 9.
May I please your lordship?
9.
My lord, may I please your lordship? My lord, I am on BC.
Yes.
My lord, in the present case, petitioner is a teacher who has availed loan 50,000 during the cyclone time. However, she has given consent for deduction, but authority has not deducted. Now, opposite party 2 is saying to pay 5 lakh amount, 5,54,000. My lord.
What can I
Meantime,
do?
I have paid 40,000 also. I have given.
You have paid only 50,000.
I have taken 50,000 loan and paid 40,000, my lord. But now they have said I have given my consent, but they have not deducted. Now they are saying
I don't know
to
whether you given consent or not. Who is the opposite party? Which bank? Which
ORSDC.
Huh?
ORSDC.
is it alive? Or dead?
Like, what's your name?
ORSDC. The organization is
Rural
there.
Housing Development. Cantonment is.
Is it there? There?
Office.
Office is there. Organization is running. or-
Organization is there.
Sure.
Yes, I'm the council of the organization.
So-
I was also council. My fee has not been paid yet. You know, once upon a time I was is council. Long back. Not as I was not as privately engaged. So that's not problem. Income tax matter. They had a huge 10 crore income tax matter. I was in the Supreme Court. Still the
big
matter is
matter,
pending.
yes, sir.
I am here. Still matter is pending.
Yes.
Last
That is,
10 years the matter is pending. So half of the fees is not paid yet. So that's why I'm asking, organization is alive or dead? Anyway. Next. So now you are the council?
Yes.
Okay, you take notice then. Not council for the ORSDC, Mr. Pruna Sahu, waves of notice. You gave a copy? Mr.
yes, my lord.
Das.
My lord, I will give you on Monday. Sir,
Okay.
my lord, in Tuesday, my lord,
Give a
Monday I have
copy.
a.
Give a
Oh,
copy.
oh.
Okay.
My lord, Tuesday I can give you copy, my lord.
Okay, Tuesday. give. Hmm.
Item number 10.
You take instruction. What can be
Yes,
done?
I will take it.
List the matter on 16th August.
Obliged.
Next.
Well, 10 in this case, my last occasion, 4 July. Directed
Lordship
to take
directed
it
me to take instruction
by
regarding
the
whether
petition
the promotion granted to the petitioner, why it is not in consonance with the DPC, result of the DPC, my lord. To that effect, my lord, today I am filing a detailed counter affidavit. Let it come next week, my lord.
Why you people choose one day for filing the
नहीं, ମୁଁ ଏଟା ready
counter
କରିଦେଇଛି।
affidavit? That day is today.
नहीं, ମୁଁ ଏଟା
The
ready
matter,
ମାନେ
when the matter is listed on that.
କାଲି
you choose
କାଲି
it.
ସେମାନେ ଆସିଥିଲେ I have elaborately discussed and today I am going to file it, man. ସେ instruction ଏଟା ହବନି। ସିଏ ଯୋଉଟା କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ତାଙ୍କ junior ମାନଙ୍କୁ ଦିଆହେଇଛି, କୌଣସି junior କୁ ଆମେ ଦେଇନୁ।
Oh, you filed your affidavit.
Man.
Land
ସିଏ
Council
କହୁଛନ୍ତି ମୋ
of
junior
State
ମାନଙ୍କୁ
6 1
ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି,
week
ମତେ
time to
ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି।
file the affidavit. Let's matter 7th August. Next.
Yes, sir.
Item 12.
12.
Item 12, may I please? Last occasion, counter has been filed that, but in this case, my lordship, that the CDPO, who is the opposite party number 6, my lords, that he has presented the final merit list and illegally selected the OPC
Have
7.
you filed the reply?
Yes, appeal forum is there.
You go to the appeal.
One line, my lordship. My lordship, OPC 6 in his counter, my lordship, one line, my lordship. In his counter, he has filed in merit list page number 11, my lordship. He has calculated the extra optional mark in the selection procedure. Thereafter, he illegally selected the.
Sir,
present
you do
procedure.
one thing, na? Whatever all these things you are
All
saying
the- all the-
here, you go and this same
Yes.
thing you present before the appellate authority.
Sub-collector is the appellate authority.
That has been, for that reason, I have information that he is not
You
following the
go
new
there, you go
guidelines.
there. Okay,
uh,
look,
set-
the petitioner has
liable to set aside.
challenged the engagement, the selection of the order, opposite party number? 6.
7.
Yes, sir, 7. For the post of Anganwadi helper in Botalamma Anganwadi Center, district?
District,
Begunia
district
Khorda.
is Khorda.
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 Begunia
Khorda.
District Khorda. He further submit that the authority has violated the guideline while engaging the OP number 7 as Anganwadi helper.
That one
Despite
line.
the petition-
extra-
Oh, take
Mile,
it,
mile,
question
miles.
is your call.
Mile.
Despite the petitioner had a supervening merit in the selection process. So, the grievance of the petitioner may be raised before the appellate authority. That is sub-collector
Sub-collector
Khorda.
Khorda.
The petitioner is directed to approve the appellate authority within 2 weeks from today, and the appellate authority shall condone the delay, if any. Alright?
Miles.
And dispose of the same within 2 months thereafter.
Right.
Alright?
Right.
Okay. Dispose of. Next.
Obliged.
Item number 13.
13. 13.
13, may I please, your lordship? But it is a disposed of matter, man.
Dispose of it.
Wrongly
Yeah.
disposed of case, right? Office
You have filed some IA, Mr.
No, my lord, the IO was for interim bail at that time. It was disposed of along with that main bail application.
Office petition देखिए भूल हो चुके हैं ठीक है office petition
कौन है?
Sir, आइएटा से disposal for file करते हैं.
Oh. Since the matter has been disposed of.
Item number 14.
Obliged.
At item number 14, I have already filed the requisites, my lord. That may be to OP number 3, my lord.
When did you file?
My lord, initially I filed to OP number 2 on the time period, but
You filed it.
I have already filed.
I am appearing for OP number 2. I am filing my Baklatnama
You
today.
filed it.
A copy may be sub.
Yes, my lord, I will serve.
Yes, sir.
So, lordship.
Petitioner is directed to sub the copy on the party number
2.
2. Name. You have filed or you are filing?
I am filing here.
Not here, sir. It is not a place to file.
I will file in the box.
Registry.
I will file in the box.
This is not an extension counter of registry, sir. Please. Sit file करिए now.
Today I will file.
तो आप अपना फाइल अपना चढ़ियो और कौन? Next.
I interim order may.
You want to
So, lordship may fix up a date.
Let it come. After 4 of 29th August.
Because the arbitration award has been passed in this case. Your lordship granted interim protection, not no
What is that?
coercive action.
What is the case about?
The petitioner approached this honorable court apprehending seizure of the vehicle.
Apprehending.
Yes, your
No, well,
lordship.
it made
There is
to-
no cause of action at all.
Just leave it. Let's open it.
There is absolutely no cause of action because
Let's see. Dismiss कर देंगे अपना the application challenging illegal action of the people for not taking 6 months time to deposit the money.
এটা met with an the vehicle met with an accident.
So what is your prayer?
Met with an accident that is.
Come to the prayer. Come to the prayer.
My lord, my prayer is that my lord, 5 installment was due, my lord, because my lord, the vehicle is under my lord repairing at my lord Ashtabinayak Motors, and 10 lakhs has already been estimated. I have all annexed the document. So that my lord,
What is the cause of action?
and
What
cause
is the cause of action?
my lord, now they are taking step because they are not. I am giving a petition
They
for.
have not taken any step now. So why are you just
And
lying on
they-
the longada?
नहीं से जो ସେଇଠୁ ନେଇଯିବେ जो ଗ୍ୟାରେଜ ରୁ
ନେଇଗଲେ।
and
ଆପଣ ପଇସା
only
ନେବେ
pay
ଆଉ ଏଥିରେ ମୁଁ କଣ
नहीं
କରିବି?
नहीं ସେଇ 6 month ଆମେ ମାଗିଛୁ ଯେ 6
6
month
month କାହିଁକି କୋର୍ଟ ଦବ? ଯଦି ତାଙ୍କ ପାଖକୁ ଯିବେ ସେମାନେ ଦେବେ ଆମକୁ କୋର୍ଟ କିଛି କହିବେନି।
and because that
No, no, no.
that
The
vehicle
petitioner is directed to approach the bank, and if the bank and the bank shall
Finance company, my lord. Tata Motors
sorry,
Finance.
sorry.
It is not bank.
Opinion
Any
number कितने? Sorry,
OP
bank.
number 2.
OP number 2, and the OP number 2 shall give some window of time to the petitioner for discharging his debt. Some, I'm not saying anything, 1 month, 2 months, tankar ichha jete de. The court is not nobody to dictate them. They are finance company, you are the loan.
reasonable time because I am
Why should I? At some time I'm saying whatever the some time maybe 6 months, maybe 1 year, that is up to them.
Right.
Reasonable time, there is no okay, reasonable time like
reasonable time
okay, reasonable time. How
ଅଛି 10
reasonable like this dispose.
Your lordship, my name may be recorded.
आगो लंबी थी
My name may be recorded. I will file a Baklatnama today.
दे देंगे रखो
and my lord, after जो till my lord consideration and no
सर मु ठीक लाग किछि नहीं अपन जीबे अप्रोच करिवे सेमने कहा कोन करिवे केते दिन देबे हमु आउ ई बड लगा दु हैला
oblige
नेक्स्ट
Urgent copy. Urgent copy of urgent copy of your lordship's order.
okay urgent next
Item number 15,
15 এটা কমা লাগছে
IA file করছেন।
কোন হয়
এটা চার্জশিট সবমিট করে আইএ করছেন চার্জশিট হয়ে যাইছে আজি ফাইল
why is it
আইএ ফাইলড ফর এ ডাইরেকশন টু সাবমিট চার্জশিট
Nagaland Council the state submits that since the charges had already been filed on which date?
on 28/7 আজি হইছে
On state
Hey,
government is so
file.
fast and matters listed before the court, they become immediately they become very active. Anyway, on 28/7/2023 in the Panigrahi PS case number 32 of 2022 in such view of the matter, the IF filed with the present petitioner is disposed of.
Item number 16,
Your Lordship, on behalf of Your Lordship, on behalf of Manoj Kumar Mishra, Senior Advocate, no instruction on this matter.
Okay, no instruction dismissed. Next.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Next.
17,
Mr. Sangnaria out of station at Delhi. May be called on 29th of August.
यार तुम कितना टाइम मांगते हो? Why are you asking for so much time? Every time you out of station, the time मांगते हैं. A whole matter is a matter of 2013. I can't accommodate like this. Every last, let me see. तेरा तो खाली time मांगी चलती निकल. Let me see. As requested by Land Council, the appellant list the matter on 30th June.
Lordship 30th.
You are for your appellant, na?
Appellant.
As requested by Land Council, the appellant list the matter on 25 July 2023. Okay. 25 July. No. July 25 July आज कितना?
25 आज गेला 28.
आज लागेला.
नहीं.
दी थोड़ा अपन लास्ट से आगल. लागे नहीं 2 दिन पड़े इसी वजह. पहुंची पड़ी. But this is not done. I'm fixing a date and then we will be ready in that day. No further time shall be granted. When do you want? Tell me.
29th August.
29th August. Mase. Okay. You have no problem, sir?
Can it be 30th, your lordship?
Okay,
29th or
30th
something?
August.
30th,
Okay, 30th August.
30th.
Both the parties are requested to file the oral note of submission. Oral note of submission. Oral note of submission bracketed orally. Argument note. You see?
Take it.
Before the next date of hearing, and it is made clear that no further adjournment shall be granted to any of the parties. Right.
Grateful.
Next,
Item number 18.
18.
May I please, Your Lordship?
18.
May I please, my lord?
What is this?
This is relating to the petitioner was working as a GRS. He has been removed from his service on the ground that the list of Indian Indira Awas beneficiaries, which was provided by the executive officer, was handed over to the Sarpanch, who happens to be the immediate authority of the petitioner, and Sarpanch manipulated, that is the show cause notice, which this petitioner after received without verifying uploaded in the site. No action against the Sarpanch or any other person, though the show cause indicates that the Sarpanch manipulated, but the petitioner, since he uploaded it, he has been visited with an order of dismissal from service, which on the face of it, keeping in view the background of the case, my respectful submission would be.
2013 matter says that
He
post had
still,
not been
I was
we have
in
been
touch,
out.
I was in touch with him, and your lordship,
You have filed the reply.
he have filed it.
So far the post of the GRS present position status of the GRS is concerned, that to that effect I have no.
Can give
My-
somewhere else, if he means you can give it somewhere else.
My order dated 16/5/2014, this noble court has been pleased to protect that post, that the post should not be filled up. Your lordship may kindly peruse. Selection process may continue, but no final result shall be published without leave of the court.
Where is that order?
Order dated 16/5/2014. So if they would say that they have done it, then this is in violation of this honorable court's order.
Yes. Why have you not, we have not gone into, you have not looked into the order before doing that?
No, they have not done it. He is saying he will take instruction.
I am saying I will take instruction, but in the present status manner.
Learn according to the state, take instruction. Present status. This is the matter 16th August. Next.
Item 19.
19.
Nineteen, my lord. On 24th, I received the 24th of this month, I received the PWC, my lord. I will file the counter appeal in all the cases.
Learn according to the state. 6 month time. 23rd of August.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Next.
Item number 21.
21.
Item 11.
Okay.
In this case, my lord, the petitioner challenges the appointment of OP number 5 as Anganwadi worker on the ground that she does not belong to the service area of the said Anganwadi center, and
show me
my
which is
lord,
the area.
my lord.
Advertisement.
Advertisement, page 15, annexure 1.
This which place?
Annexure 1.
संपृक्त अंगनवाड़ी केंद्र परिसीमार स्थायी बासिंदा होइथिबे ताकर
अच्छा।
गाँ डाक ना कोन?
Anganwadi center is, my lord, Good Mali Sai. Village also Good Mali Sai.
Good Mali side. So one center.
My lord.
So you have the residence certificate of that center.
Yes.
And the other party doesn't have.
Other party does not belong to the service.
Has he obtained the residence certificate of that village? Has he got that? Sorry.
No, my lord, as per the requisition, RTI information, my lord, under annexure, my lord.
No, government will say. What is her residential status?
Counter filing. Counter filing.
What are you doing? It's 2017 matter, sir. Lord Council of the state to file the counter within 1 week. 1 week. This is the matter on 10th August. No further evidence will be granted. The matter of ବର୍ଷ ପକେଇ ମୁଁ ବୁଝିପାରିନି। Government reply file ରେ ଫଟାଫଟ file କରିବେ। ପତ୍ରରେ ପଡିଛି ପଡିଛି।
22.
Next.
May I
22.
please assist? This is also on GRS matter, my lord. In this case, the petitioner working as a GRS, he has been terminated from service on the ground that the geotag made by her is false. The
What?
geotag, the petitioner after selection of beneficiary by the sarpanch, the GRS has to geotag that beneficiary. Computer feed kariya ପାଇଁ ଯୋଉଟା geotag କରିବ.
Then what is it?
In fact, in her show cause, the petitioner stated that at the time of geotag, the petitioner was on strike and the sarpanch made that geotag.
Why you are on strike?
That the organization, all the GRS are on strike on that day. That's why he has not made the geotag and the sarpanch made the geotag. My lord, in this
You have
case,
filed the reply. File the reply. Lord Council of the state to file the reply within 1 week. 1 week. 10th August. Next.
23.
23.
Item number 23.
New India Assurance.
And I am the opposite party.
Who is for the insurance company? What is the issue?
And the issue is the opposite party number 1 is the owner of a Maruti diesel car bearing number OR02 AX 8999, engine number so and so. Said vehicle was insured under the respondent policy number so and so, which is valid from 10/4/2015 to 9/4/2016. The petitioner on 31/8/2015 went to Trayachyuta Ashram in this vehicle and parked the vehicle inside Trayachyuta Nagar, where other vehicles were parked.
Just wait. What is the issue, sir? You don't read everything. What is the issue?
It's the Parvanati Lok Adalat awarded the amount of the opposite party number. The insured declared value is rupees 2,78,964.
So they have approached here.
The insurance company challenging the said award.
So what is the ground for challenge? What is ground for challenge? Grounds for challenge on what?
Ground challenge is the not.
Sir, बिना कागज देखे पता तो कौन तू? Grounds for challenge 1 to फटफट दिख पे तो कोई देवे कौन देखो कागज? What are the grounds for challenge, sir? On what basis the insurance company has come here?
Insurance.
Yes.
Is grounded the survey, at the time of inquiry of the surveyor, the engine number and a chassis number was not found by the surveyor, and the opposite party number 1 file application on 1 year delay.
Like the petitioner is absent. List the matter on 21st August. It is made clear that even the next date of listing, if the petitioner doesn't remain present in the court, petitioner the representative, petitioner counsel or representative of the petitioner doesn't remain in the present in the court, this case shall be decided ex parte.
Interim order ta thila bracket
आपको फेवर है?
na ta petition.
In the meantime, लगा. The order dated. नहीं गोटे डेट दे सब देखिए. मैंने पैकेट कर दो. One date.
5/12/2018.
One date दिया तो अपना नहला दे पैकेट कर दो. Just wait for. Next.
24.
24.
My lord, may I please your lord? Engagement to the post of Gram Rozgar Seva. Advertisement was made. In the advertisement that is annexure 1, your lordship will see how selection will be made. That on the basis.
Tell me what is the defect in the selection?
Defect in the selection, I have already been selected and I have been discharging my duty last 5 years. What happens, your lordship? This opposite party number 4, he made an allegation that he has not submitted any valid residence certificate. Now question is, recent residence certificate, permanent residence certificate, your lordship has in case of SCBC, candidate also use this word, current, permanent and recent. That is. In the advertisement, your lordship will see only recent residence certificate.
Recent mean
No,
within
that is
how
one,
many? Recent mean within how many years?
that is no, that is in the advertisement, your lordship, only residence certificate is required, not recent or permanent.
There is nothing written.
That is, my lord, nothing has been mentioned. He has made an allegation unsuccessful. He has admittedly secured less mark than me. Less mark than me in the selection. So I was selected. Then I joined. Then he approached this honorable court. That he has not filed that.
Then what happened? Court pathala ja seti.
आज्ञा सेठी को जा सेठी विचार करिवे
के विचार कला?
विचार कले आज्ञा दटी annexure 9 टा देखिवे
कलेक्टर
आज्ञा
कलेक्टर कोन विचार कले?
कलेक्टर कोन विचार कले आज्ञा देखंतु सेटा विचार कले जे तार वैलिड रेसिडेंस सर्टिफिकेट नाही तेणु आमे सेति पई कैंसिल कर
वैलिड माने कोन?
आज्ञा सेति तो कथा वैलिड माने कोन इन द एडवर्टाइजमेंट देयर इज नो सच स्टिपुलेशन
What have you written, sir? What is that valid, so-called valid residential certificate?
आज्ञा
What according to you?
That has been filed by the PDDRD, my lord. My learned friend is appearing for the PDDRD because on the
PDDRD is government.
On behalf of Mr. Mishra, I am appearing.
Mr. Mishra is appearing.
Mishra, I'm appearing on behalf of.
So what do you mean by that?
My lord, on that, when he submitted his application.
Madam, just answer my one question.
Yes.
Entire case will be solved in half a minute. The question is, what is that valid residential certificate?
My lord,
Which residential certificate is called valid residential certificate?
at that time, according to Orissa miscellaneous certificate rules, 1 year resident certificate would be valid.
Which year? Which is
And that
which
is that he has
Which
submitted.
year? Which year, madam?
He had submitted
Which year? The advertisement was which year?
2017. 2017.
The
And
your rule came in which year?
in 2017, that is, my lord, I had annexed,
After or
I have annexed
before?
that. I have
After or
annexed,
before?
my lord, that is 31st March
Your
2017.
advertisement was on which date?
Advertise was,
that is annexure 1 year lordship
That is
11
annexure
8
1.
2017 advertisement.
And the new the rule came on which date?
31st March 2017. And as per the rules,
Yes, 31st March.
2017
As per the
rules, 1 year resident certificate was
is
valid.
right.
And
She's
2000,
right.
She's right. As per the new rule, you have that certificate should have been issued within 1 year,
1 year.
sir.
That
Yes,
is
sir.
your
Before
lordship,
just 1 year before the advertisement.
but in the your lordship just have a glance to advertisement. There is no such stipulation in the advertisement.
That is there.
Only residence
Sir,
certificate.
that is there.
That-
I have already said in one case, there was a
Right.
lot of discussion on
Then
this
your
issue.
lordship, my second limit of submission. Your
No,
lord-
you show me where it is not there. Show me.
My lord,
Show me the new rule. Show me
New
the new rule.
your lordship, new rule they have in the government has
Madam,
filed
you
it
have
with-
the new rule.
later on in
You have the
2018.
new rule.
Yes, sir. I have
Right.
annexed that.
Read that. Where is that?
Incorporate it.
Huh?
P by 3.
P by 3.
Running
by
page.
3.
No. 2017 rule, I'm reading that at
Which
at
page?
page
Which page?
9.
Counter affidavit.
Counter affidavit, page
Right.
9.
Annexure?
Annexure A by 3.
ଏ ତ ଏବେ କିଛି ଦେଖାଯାଉନି। ଦେଖିଲ?
Counter affidavit.
Page 9.
Page 9.
Page 9.
Page 9 of.
Counter file में
Counter.
opposite panel 213 mile.
Last word, one
Just
line.
a minute.
Right.
The TRDA, code है ना? DRDA? Sambalpur.
Jajpur
Jajpur.
again, Jajpur.
Jharsuguda. DRG Jharsuguda invited.
Jajpur again, Jajpur.
Huh? Jajpur.
Jajpur.
ଲେଖା ଯାଉନି ଷ୍ଟାମ୍ପ ମରା ହେଇଛି
Right.
ନା ସେଥିପାଇଁ ପଚାରୁଛି ଯାଜପୁର invited application for
Your Lordship,
recruitment of
is
the-
required.
for the post of multi-purpose assistants bracketed Gram Rozgar Sevak.
Your Lordship,
In the,
another,
just,
My lord.
in the.
The another point for
In the
that is-
advertisement,
Ah, yes.
one of the requirement was the resident certificate. One of the requirement was the resident certificate. However, there was no stipulation
Problem.
regarding the issuance of the
Residence
residential certificate. Regarding the period of issuance of the
My lord.
residential certificate. What's up? The advertisement on 11/8/2017. Lord Counsel for the petitioner submits that.
In the ground, again,
Huh?
3 grounds I have taken.
Just where is
This
the
is one
ground?
ground.
Where is the ground?
What are the ground, Your Lordship, kindly say. When this opposite party number 4 approached this honorable court directed that you approach the collector.
That is not a ground. I'm
No,
saying,
I-
I'm saying just what is your valid ground?
Valid
These are
ground,
all
that is
procedural thing.
Without giving. the
Merit
oppor-
को आसंतु.
My lord, merit I am कहुची.
हाँ.
Without.
You are
giving-
continuing there. Now you are continuing.
My lord, I am continuing. Last
Still
5 years.
continuing, na?
My lord.
So you are
still-
challenging their termination.
My lord.
Okay.
That's what I
Like,
mean.
the petitioner, Lord Counsel for the petitioner submits that. Yes, number one.
Number 1.
Hmm.
Number 2, Your Lordship will.
Number
see-
one कौन तू?
Number 1, that is in the advertisement. There is-
देखिए देखिए लिखा है
ସେଟା
number two
ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି।
कौन तू?
Number 2 ଟା ଆଜ୍ଞା
Number two
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ।
लिखो number two लिखो.
ତାପରେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆଜ୍ଞା when I submit all my application, all the candidates, then one notice was published that if any candidate has any objection, he submit that objection within
He
certain
further
period.
submits that despite the fact that a notice, a notice was published
Probably.
regarding the
Submission of objection.
submission of objection
On or before-
from the candidates.
Candidates
However,
on or before 10/12/2017.
on or before 10/12/2017,
17. My lord, no objection has been.
no objection was ever received by
My lord, by the
by the
opposite party.
opposite party number
4.
4. Full stop.
My
Third,
lord, then third point, Your Lordship will see.
Hmm.
He approached, I was selected, I was given appointment. He approached this honorable court. This honorable court passed order that giving direction to the collector, you dispose of the matter by giving opportunity to the parties affected.
third, देखो. He, though the collector entertained his application in appeal. In
My
appeal,
lord, appeal.
in appeal number,
Appeal number, Your Lordship will see. That is. Order dated 17/8/2019. They have,
appeal number.
they have referred to this old writ petition number. Appeal number, they have not specifically
Anyway,
mentioned.
collector entertained the appeal of the present petitioner
My lord.
pursuant to the
Opposite
order,
party number, Your Lordship, present not.
pursuant to the order number, dated
Order dated, Your Lordship will see. Order dated 12.
ଆଜ୍ଞା, ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ଛୋଟ କାଗଜରେ ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତେ କେତେ ଇଜି ହୁଅନ୍ତା ମତେ ଆପଣ ସବୁ ଜିନିଷ ତ ମୁଁ କରିବି ଆପଣ ତାହେଲେ କଣ ଫିଜ ନେବେ ଖାଲି
12/4/2018.
ସବୁ ଗୋଟେ ଛୋଟ କାଗଜ ଦେବେ ସମସ୍ତେ କହୁଛି ରିଲେଟିଭ ମେରିଟ ପ୍ଲିଜ गिव me small paper
Small
one page
My lord, that will
one
be
page
there.
sufficient ଏଇଟା କେହି କରିବେନି ଆଉ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଲିଷ୍ଟ ଅପଡେଟ ତ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ସେଟା ଧର୍ମକୁ ଆଖିଠାର ସେ ଲିଷ୍ଟ ଅପଡେଟ ମୁଣ୍ଡ ଗଣ୍ଡି କିଛି ନାହିଁ ଖାଲି
ସେଟା ହଉଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା
SMS
12/4/2018.
ଦେଲା ଭଳିଆ ବନଉଛନ୍ତି
12/4/2018.
12/4/2018 in writ petition number
Writ petition number, Your Lordship.
ଏବେ ଯେ ଏଇ କେସ୍ ଗୁଡାକରେ ଯେ ନୋଟ ନେଇକି ନ ଆସ ମୁଁ ଶୁଣିବିନି ସିଧା ସିଧା adjust କରି ଚାଲିବି।
5083 of 2018, WPC number
5083
83 of 2018.
ହେଲା in past in 5083 of 2018 full stop
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ତାପରେ
ତା ଦେହରେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଅର୍ଡରଟା ହେଇଛି that is, Your Lordship will see copies of this involving the parties likely to be affected. Notice will be given. Now I will be affected. That is.
however the present petitioner was not noticed
My
by
God.
the
By the
collector
collector.
right
And that has been admitted in the paragraph 11.
which is a blatant violation of the principle of natural justice.
Paragraph 11 they have
Since-
admitted in their
since
counter.
She was likely to be affected by the order passed by the.
Not
court.
she, he. Your Lord.
Next,
These are the 3 points.
ହେଇଗଲା
Right, right.
ହଁ ଆଉ କଣ
ଆଜ୍ଞା, ନାଇଁ ସେ ଗୋଟେ
ଏତିକି
minute.
ତିନିଟା point.
Paragraph 16 ରେ they have admitted that is no notice has been issued.
ଆରେ ସାର୍ ଛାଡ଼ନ୍ତୁ ନା ମୁଁ ତ ଦିଆ ହେଇନି କହିଲେ କି ଆପଣ କହିଲେ ଆଉ ଏତେ କଥା କଣ
Only this much.
be precise sir
Right.
be precise ହଁ ହେଲା ହେଲା ଦେଖିଲ
Sir, ଆପଣ judgment ଟା ଗୋଟେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ
ତାପରେ-
judgment ଅଛି ଦିଟା.
ହଁ। ତାପରେ so ground ହେଲା this
Resident certificate ଟା
like-
correct ନୁହଁ କି permanent? No,
per
sir,
contra lega
right.
per contra comma learned counsel for the opposite party number 3 submits that as per notification.
As per notification dated 31st March
As per notification dated 31st March
2017.
2017 issued by
Resolution
issued
issued
by
by Revenue and Disaster Management Department.
issued by Revenue and Disaster Management କି ଗୋଟେ
Department.
କରିଥିବ ନା ତା ନାଁଟା ଥିବ ତଳେ ନା ନାଇଁ
Dr.
Right.
Mona, Principal Secretary to Government, Dr. Mona Sharma.
issued by Department of Revenue the Principal Secretary
To Government.
Government of Orissa, Department of Revenue and Disaster Management has issued a guideline regarding
Validity of residential.
validity of
certificate.
residential certificate.
1 year.
And the said guidelines suggest, read the line.
The validity of residence income and solvency certificate shall be 1 year from the date of its issue. Whereas legal heir and guardianship certificate shall be.
ସେଇଟା ସେ ଯୋଉ କୋଟ କରିବ କାଇଁ ସେଇଟା କୋଟ ଅଛି
ସେଟା rule 6
Clause-
schedule
clause-
5.
clause 6, clause 6,
clause 6
clause 6,
clause 6
supplement
ନାଇଁ
5.
କୋଟ କରିବ ନା
Five.
ଦିଅ ଏଇଠି ଦିଅ ସବୁ copy ଦିଅ ସେଟା ଇଏ ଲଗା
Page 9 lecture counter.
Page 9 of the count.
ହେଲା clause ଏଇଟା ଲଗା variation Order 6 now. Which they are reading, which
Surplus 5 minor, clause 6, surplus 5.
Page
the
9.
validity, okay. ହେଲା ये सब क्लोज कर दो कोड कर दो पछाड़ के the code कर दो accordingly the petitioner certificate is not valid ହେଲା अच्छा ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷ ମତେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଯଦି ଆପଣଙ୍କର circular ଥିଲା what prevented you to not to write that in the in that advertisement? You should have written that in the advertisement. Simply, why should a person will again go and find out somewhere where is the circular? Why should somebody will go and find the circular? Since the petitioner, no, I'm not going to spare like this. Since the
My lord,
petitioner,
in this case,
since Rohantu, so this is not done. Because when you are advertising, why are you not making clear? A person, ଗୋଟେ metric ki plus 2 ପଢିଥିବା ପିଲା ସେ କୋଉଠୁ ଏଇ circular ଖୋଜିବ ଯାଇକିରି ଆପଣ advertisement clear କାହିଁକି ଲେଖିବେନି ଦେଖ this is the ଦେଖ this said circular ଏଟା circular ତ
Resolution.
said
Resolution.
Resolution.
was-
Resolution dated 31st.
since the
March.
resolution was available with the DRDA Jajpur DRDA Jajpur at the time of issuing advertisement the said DRDA Jajpur was supposed to mention the mandate of the resolution passed by the government in the advertisement itself. Since the DRDA Jajpur has failed to write the write the details of the validity about the residential certificate as per this clause 6 of the
Resolution.
clause 6 they said of the of the Revenue and Disaster Management Department of the resolution, crossing of the resolution passed by the Revenue and Disaster Management Department dated 31st March 2017. Hence, the advertisement itself was a faulty advertisement. In such view of the matter, ever correct recruitment?
As recruitment 2018, right?
2018.
Right.
You have already worked for 5 days.
No, that is your lordship, advertisement was made, but appointment was given to me. The lordship will see appointment letter I have annexed.
Advertisement kebe ହେଇଛି?
Advertisement 11
ଦୁଇ ହଜାର
11
ଅଠର ଆଜ୍ଞା।
2017.
ହେଲା ଆପଣଙ୍କ appointment କେବେ ମିଳିଛି?
17 ଆଜ୍ଞା ଏଇଟା advertisement annexure 1
ଆପଣଙ୍କ
11/8/2017 advertisement
17 ଆପଣଙ୍କ appointment କେବେ?
appointment ଆଜ୍ଞା that is your lordship will see 18/1/2018
18. Though the advertisement, though this court is inclined to cancel the advertisement because of the non-incorporation of the said clause, this non-incorporation, the spirit of the said clause in the advertisement. However, considering the fact that the petitioner has already spent 5 years in the said post, this court doesn't think it proper to quash the advertisement and order for a fresh selection process. So, in such view of the matter, the petitioner is the writ petition is allowed.
I would like to.
The writ petition is allowed, and the petitioner
Annexure 9 be
shall
set aside.
allow
Annexure 9 be set aside because Annexure 9 is cancellation order.
and the annexure 9. What is that annexure 9? And the letter dated, sorry, the order passed by the Collector Jajpur dated 17/8/2019 is set aside. Dispose of.
My lord, in this case, I am appealing for opposite party. On my writ petition, order passed by the Lone Collector.
Maybe I have said what is the law.
My lord.
Simple. If
I
you have
want
any
to only,
problem,
I want to only one,
you can approach.
my lord, I want to only place one part of the regender, my lord.
I am not going to see simple. I have given the logic. If my logic is wrong, you can approach the higher.
My lord, your lordship, only heard me, only one sentence I am.
Yeah, please.
My lord and friend submitted that there is no noting that the petitioner, the candidates has to submit a valid residence certificate, my lord.
Is there any noting in the advertisement?
My lord, if that is not so, then my lord, why?
I am asking.
My lord, no.
Is there any
No, my
noting in the advertisement?
Residence certificate, my lord, residence certificate means a valid residence certificate. My lord,
that is correct. I am not disputing. When the residence certificate is advertisement is there, is it not the duty of the advertiser to write it correctly that this should be within 1 year? What prevented them not to write that? Why should a person will go and find out the circular?
Only one document your lordship has to give a glance, my lord. In the provisional panel, my lord, there is a noting. He has submitted an old and substitute.
I am whatever there is noting, nothing doing. Why did the DRDA not include this line that which should have been within 1 year? Why? So DRDA should have done it.
Your lordship is right, my lord.
I would it is the Department of Panchayati Raj. Which department? Department of?
My lord.
Which department?
Panchayati Raj.
Department of it is made clear that the Department of Panchayati Raj should be should include the clause 6, the spirit of clause 6, the spirit of clause 6 of the resolution in all its advertisement for Gram Rozgar Sevak in future. Hello. Failing which it would be amount to contempt. Hello.
My lord,
Sabu advertisement bar kariye. A order a free copy of the order be given to the Secretary Panchayati Raj Department.
My lord, in this case, my lord, the selection of petitioner made on basis of a subsequent legal certificate.
Sir, I am not on that. He is selected. His selection is valid. Simple.
On basis of a legal certificate.
I'm a good issue.
Your lordship, record by submission pass that order, my lord. Because in the regender, he himself admitted that he has submitted a legal certificate to rectify the mistake he committed at the time of submission of the application, my lord. It is his own admission.
I am not going to all these things. Simply on what ground he has been rejected, I am just trying to make good that ground. That's all. Nothing else.
Then, my lord, this point, your lordship, my submission may be recorded.
Lord calls for the OP number 4.
4.
Submit that. Yes.
That the petitioner
I
has
want to
the petitioner has submitted a fresh legal certificate to rectify the defect of the application he submitted in pursuant to the advertisement.
Okay. And here further submits that the petitioner case should not have been entertained considering the invalid residential settlement. Allah. Okay. Hard on the party. Allah. Okay. Disclosure. Next.
Item number 25.
25.
I may be pardoned, my lord.
Yes.
That annexure 1 has been issued by collector, not DRDA. Collector. That may be
Collector. Collector. Annexure 1 advertisement issued by the collector.
published.
And you just give a copy to your Panchayat Raj secretary. When they are advertising, they should have some circular advertisement को प्रकार हबो. Actually model advertisement गुटे एमाने बने देवा कथा पंचायत राज डिपार्टमेंट सब डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफिसर को शेयर कर देवा कथा. सेही हिसाब रे सन करंती नाही मन इच्छा X district will do it on its own, Y district will do it on its own, but Z district will do something else.
It has been published in the extraordinary gazette, man. That
extraordinary gazette maybe, but a candidate is not supposed to go through all the gazette. ଗୋଟେ ଲୋକ ମେଟ୍ରିକ ପାସ୍ କରି ପ୍ଲସ 2 ପରେ କଣ ସେ ତାର କାମ ଧନ୍ଦା କରୁଥିବ ସେ ଏ ଗେଜେଟ୍ ଦେଖି
ସାର୍ ତାହେଲେ ସବୁ ଆଡଭର୍ଟାଇଜମେଣ୍ଟ ଲେଖା ହବ ଯେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଗ୍ରାଜୁଏସନ ଭ୍ୟାଲିଡ ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଏମଫିଲ୍ ର
should have been issued within 1 year. ଏଟା ଲେଖିଲି ପରେ ଲାଷ୍ଟ କୁ the spirit of the 6 has to contain in the advertisement. बिल्कुल ଲେଖା ହବ ଯେମିତି ମନ ଇଚ୍ଛା गवर्नमेंट तम भल बोली जहाँ इच्छा ता लिखि दबो तापर लिटिगेशन क्रिएट करबो ए माने एथि में लिटिगेशन होची लिटिगेशन काहे के तमे हबो तो क्लियर लिखि देले तो गला
litigation only arises by entertaining his application.
नो सर ये जरूर काहे के जने अनसेटल करबे गोटे सेटल पोजीशन को से बिचारा चाकरी कला 5 वर्ष ताकू हटेबी कोन पे करली अब बिकॉज़ नो मिस्टेक
My lord, in this case, though there is a specific order to provide opportunity to all parties, deliberately and intentionally, this petitioner has not issued any notice. That's why an interim order he obtained an interim order from this court.
ठीक अछि that's
again that interim order it नथांता से 5 वर्ष चाकरी करन नथांता very immediately have asked challenge the his
that is his fate but we can't help. Next
Mr. Amya Kumar Mishra may be name may be reflected it for opposite party number 3.
Your name?
My name.
Your name has to be there. Why Amya Kumar Mishra? You have argued the matter.
Josnamai Sahu on behalf of Mr. Mishra. Amya Mishra.
And next.
Item number 25. May appears. This is regarding disengagement of a GRS, my lord. Last date your lordship directed the London State Council to take instruction whether any inquiry.
What is the ground for that?
Ground, my lord, they have issued a show cause notice that on the field verification they found certain illegalities. That is mentioned at paragraph page 11 annexure 2. 2 show cause notices were issued, one by sub collector, one by BDO on the same allegation. And I have submitted my show cause reply to both the show cause notices, my lord. Thereafter, without any reason, annexure 6 was issued that I have been withdrawn from my charge. Subsequently, my lord, annexure 7 was issued that he has been disengaged. No order was sought up.
Let him file the reply. Lord goes to the state to file the reply. List the matter on 16th August.
Mine. The lordship direct last sentence 2 times time has been granted.
The last
Mine.
Next.
Obliged.
26.
26.
এটা আর্জন is actually 4 অগস্ট
4 অগস্ট The noting is there.
Noting ଅଛି যে matter stand adjourn to 4th August.
Let it come on 4th.
Obliged.
27.
27.
May I please, my lord?
You are for the bank, sir?
I am for the bank.
I am for private party.
You are for the bank?
I am for the petitioner.
I have for the opposite party last week submitted that I will file counter. Some dispute factors there. That's for my counter is ready to
File it, file it.
I will file.
All the opposite parties to complete the pleading.
I have.
Complete the pleading, I'm saying.
I have
The
already-
counter regender, that includes counter regender.
Right.
Complete the pleading by 22nd August, list the matter on 24th.
My lord, today I have filed the consolidated.
ଆପଣ
plan.
ଯାହା କରନ୍ତୁ କରନ୍ତୁ କିଛି ନାହିଁ ସବୁ
Consolidated
accept
cost
ସବୁ
active.
accept
Cost active. I will implement the party.
considered application filed by the present petitioner.
Yes.
Yeah, for the petitioner, na?
Yes.
I accept. Taken on record.
I
Next.
have already filed counter my.
ଆପଣ ଫାଇଲ କରନ୍ତୁ 22nd ଭିତରେ କରନ୍ତୁ ଗଲା ପ୍ଲିଡିଂ କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ ତ ଲେଖିଦେଲି ସାର୍ ଆଉ କଣ ଆଉ ଲେଖିବି କାଉଣ୍ଟର ଦ୍ୟାଟ ଇନକ୍ଲୁଡ୍ସ କାଉଣ୍ଟର ରିଜେଣ୍ଡର ବୋଥ୍ ଖତମ ଆଉ ଏତେ କଣ
In my
ରିଟର୍ନ
case, they have also filed rejoinder.
ଲେଟ୍ ଦେମ୍ ନା ପ୍ଲିଡିଂ କହିଲି ମାନେ ପ୍ଲିଡିଂ ଇଜ କାଉଣ୍ଟର ପ୍ଲସ ରିଜେଣ୍ଡର ବୋଥ୍ ହଁ ନେକ୍ସଟ
29.
29
In this matter, the petitioner's main grievances to return some documents. The documents have already been seized by the CBI. We have, bank has given that affidavit and enclosing the CBI's, DSP has seized that documents that the CBI has kept in his custody. That document has already been filed, that is the page number 5 to 4 to 7.
you have not your grievances
Grievances before the CBI.
The loan has been cleared by the borrower. I am the guarantor. My document I had.
sir if it is a CBI case is there then how can they return
That is
the documents are taken by
Yes,
CBI
my lord, my lord. But they have in running page 3, they have stated.
ମୁଁ ଖାଲି I can write like this when they get
Grievances
my
before the-
documents from CBI they can
Yes.
return.
May I play one thing, my lord? I will approach to the CBI for my release of the documents.
Can do that you approach CBI କାଇଁ ଦବ ଦବ ଆପଣ approach କରି ଦେଇଦବ କୋର୍ଟ
ମୁଁ-
ଅର୍ଡର ନହେଲେ CBI ଦବ
ମୁଁ accused ନୁହେଁ ଏଥିରେ ମୁଁ
ଆପଣ ଥାଆନ୍ତୁ କି ନଥାନ୍ତୁ guarantor ନା guarantor is
guarantor.
stepping the shoes of the borrower
The loan has already been repaid.
ଏଇ ହେଇଥାଇପାରେ ମୁଣ୍ଡ ତ ପୁରେଇଛନ୍ତି ନା ତା ଭିତରେ
Right.
ତେଣୁ you have to wait you want to approach the CBI I don't have it but CBI ଏମିତି ବିନା କୋର୍ଟ ଅର୍ଡର ଦେବେନି ସେମାନେ କେବେ ବି ଦେବେନି କୋର୍ଟ ଅର୍ଡର ବିନା ଦେବେନି ଆଉ କୋର୍ଟ ଏମିତି ଅର୍ଡର କରିବନି କଣ ପାଇଁ ନେଇଛି କଣ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି ମୁଁ କାଇଁ ଅର୍ଡର ପାସ୍ କରିବି
Their document ମୁଁ annex କରିଛି that has been already my lord my
More than
kind.
that, sir, if that is seized by the CBI, देखो, since the petitioner, the land constitutional petition submit that the petitioner is a guarantor
Guarantor.
in in connection with the loan amount,
Loan,
loan account, which
loan account. And that is the OA number.
OA number କେମିତି ଆସିବ sir?
DRT case ହେଇଥିଲା my lord.
Loan account mentioned in OA number 58 of
Yes,
2011,
2011.
OA number 54 of 2011, OA number 59 of 2011, OA number 77 of 2011, which has been disposed of on 21/3/2014. This said loan account of the petitioner was the guarantor in the said loan account, which has been disposed of on 21/3/2014. After the matter was settled, after the OTS settlement was arrived at.
Yes.
Between the parties. The grievance of the petitioner is that even if the loan amount has been repaid by the loanee,
My lord.
and the documents taken by the loanee from the present petitioner, who is a guarantor, has not yet been returned.
My lord.
And constable of the bank submits that. Submit that. Submit that. Since the documents has been seized by the CBI,
My lord.
which is investigating some case
My lord.
pertaining to the loanee,
My lord.
where the loanee is, where there is a connect, connection.
RC case number 12A
Code is
09.
In their counter they have stated.
Annexure 1 page 4 CBI.
In connection with the RC case number?
RC 12A 09 my lord. The page number 5 my lord. Seizure memo. Page number 5.
RC number 12 by 09 DBS sir.
Sir, आप नंबर कितने नंबर कौन आंधी?
এই নম্বরটা my lord
হ্যাঁ?
CBI
Annexure 1 তো খুলেছি মু।
yes CBI Bhubaneswar case number RC 12A by 09
The case number RC
12A
12A
by 09
by 09 BBS ମୋର ଟିକେ ଭୁଲ ଲେଖିଲି ପେଜ ଅଛି କାଉଣ୍ଟରରେ ତାଙ୍କର ପେଜ 4 ରେ ଅଛି annexure 1 ରେ ଲେଖା ଅଛି click କରି due to such seizure by the CBI
my lord
the bank is unable to provide them the required document provide the petitioner the required document. So in view of the aforesaid, comma, the petitioner is granted liberty to approach the CBI, approach the appropriate authority for such
releasing
release of such documents, or in the alternative, he has to wait till the bank receives the document from the CBI. Hello?
obliged
Next.
Item number 30.
dispose of my lord
Dispose.
obliged
No, okay. 30.
My pleasure, Lordship. My lord, last occasion, Lordship was pleased to issue notice to OP number 2, my lord. My lord, the
what is the issue?
Issue, my lord, the petition file is to apply for direction to OP number 1. OP number is the State Bank of Kalyanagar branch, my lord.
No, what is the issue, sir?
Issue, my lord, petition sent rupees 50,000 through his mobile net banking transaction, and he sent money to a wrong account. And so
Have you approached the this the banking ombudsman?
Is petition made a mail to the branch manager of opposition number 1, and
Sir, this is a case you should have approached the ombudsman, banking ombudsman. You have not approached.
petition
Banking ombudsman कब कराई? ये सब जिनिस सब सब केस पे हाई कोर्ट पड़े सी.
Lordship can
जहाँ इच्छा है सब हाई कोर्ट पड़े.
Lordship can see para 8, my lord.
To declog the high court's pendency or unnecessary filing of the cases, the ombudsman system has been introduced. For every case, you are bypassing those organizations. You are coming here straight.
The petition the brother of petition who is residing at Guwahati, he requested the branch.
I am not bothered about who resigned, who didn't resign. That is not the subject matter of the present writ petition. I am asking your grievance could have been redressed by the banking ombudsman, which you could have gone there. You should have approached.
But last time I issued notice to.
No, I have issued notice that today I'm just retracting my retracting from my own idea. You should approach that.
Your lordship, you should notice to ICICI Bank, Guwahati, that bank is not under lordship's jurisdiction. So can pass any order.
No, that can be done.
We have admitted everything.
That
He
is
has
not a
admitted.
problem. Jurisdiction. 226 court issue notice to even a bank in Kanyakumari also, not a problem. There is a lot of power. So, is the the petitioner grievance can be redressed by the banking ombudsman. The petitioner should have approached there, and after exertion of remedy there, he should have approached this court. In such view of the matter, let the petitioner approach the ombudsman, Bhubaneswar, ombudsman Bhubaneswar, seeking redressal of his grievance, and ombudsman Bhubaneswar shall dispose of his grievance within a period of 30 days from the date of presentation of this order, according to dispose of. Next.
No, 2 has appeared. 2 has appeared.
Here
order
Next.
31.
31.
Petition is appointed as a Jogan Sahayak man.
What happened?
Madam?
What happened?
2013 madam. All of a sudden to 2022 madam. Since Sarpanch was not wanting to perform the petitioner duty, he has created some disturbance, not allowed me to enter into the office madam. And on administrative ground, when annexure 2, the BDO Khorda madam has directed me to withdraw my official work, my lord, and directed the PO to take over the
What
charge.
is the grievance against, I mean, what is the complaint against him?
Well, after that,
What is the complaint against him? You don't have the system of inquiry or anything. Simply you will leave this fate to a sarpanch. Most of the time, many are corrupt sarpanch.
ନାଇଁ ଏମାନଙ୍କର ଯୋଉ ଯୋଗାଣ ସହାୟକଙ୍କର ପଲ୍ଲୀ ସଭାରେ ଡିସାଇଡ ହବ ଡିସାଇଡ ହେଇକି ରିମୁଭ
ପଲ୍ଲୀ ସଭା ଯେ
ପଲ୍ଲୀ ସଭା ଡ୍ୟୁଲି
ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଇନକ୍ୱାରି କିଏ କରେ? ଯଦି କିଛି କମ୍ପ୍ଲେନ ହେଲେ କିଏ ଇନକ୍ୱାରି କରେ?
ଏଇ ଭିଡିଓ କରିବେ
Inquiry has to be
ଆଇଦର
done
ସେ
by the
କରିବେ ନହେଲେ
video.
କାହାକୁ appoint
Has
କରିବେ।
the video done the inquiry? No. Without inquiry, how can you just leave it to the fate of the Palli Sabha, so-called Palli Sabha, where maximum people are vested interest? And they take decision as per their vested interest.
No, here the case of the petition is that he has worked for a certain period, but the remuneration has not been paid. That is the issue. But
Is he not entitled to get
no,
remuneration?
we have already paid, my lord. We have taken the stand. Kindly have a glance. It is his document, my lord. Kindly have a
And
glance.
you
to pay
forget
that.
that you have not done any great favor. Yes, what you have paid. That's all. Matter end.
Okay.
Now the question is, when
Further
you are removing
continuation-
a person, is it not the duty of the authority to have an inquiry?
No.
Have you done the inquiry?
No, the authority, the video has removed him from service.
Without inquiry?
No, basing upon the that panchayat decision, my lord.
What panchayat decision? Panchayat decision, not inquiry. No, sorry. Lego. The video, what is the video?
my lord, Khorda,
Video Khorda is directed to, you have been disengaged now?
my lord, they are not allowed, man. I have challenged this one, man.
He has misappropriated the PDS amount.
No. That is an allegation.
Misappropriation.
No.
He might have done. I'm not saying. He might have done.
My lord, kindly have a glance to page 7 of my counter
He might
affidavit.
have done. I'm not saying. He might have done misappropriation. He might have done anything. But the natural justice demand that there should be an inquiry. Your Palli Sabha can decide his fate. Palli Sabha, you know, ଗାଁ ରେ କିଏ ମାଗିଥିବ ନ ଦେଇଥିବ ତା ରାଗ ଥିବ ସେ ତା against କହିବ. All are vested interest. Sarpanch is one of them, again, one of the torch bearer of that vested interest, right? So if that is so, then what kind of justice will just expect from them? The video Khorda is directed to conduct a detailed inquiry. Well, should have conducted detailed inquiry before disengaging the present petitioner. Also, however, he has failed to do so and left the fate of the petitioner to the Palli Sabha. Also,
That was not police or Gram Panchayat region.
oh, Gram Panchayat. Sorry, Gram Panchayat. I'm so sorry. Gram Panchayat. Full stop. In such view, the matter, let the BDO Khorda conduct an inquiry about the allegation against the present petitioner within a period of 1 month from the presentation of this order, and after the said order be presented before you. You file, and the said order be filed before this court.
That inquiry report.
Within 1 month he has to complete. This is the matter on 11th September. That we have.
Hon'Ble.
Next.
32.
My lord, I am from Balangir High Court, my lord.
Yes, please.
Notice has been issued to OP number 5 and not in spite of the notices, they have not reversed the amount that has been miscredited, my lord.
Notice when we issued to
OP number 5 and 6.
Who are the OP number 5 and 6?
I am for the OP number 6, my lord. I have already entered.
अरे भाई ना तो कहो OP
Branch manager, my lord.
पूरा ना कहबे ना वो.
My lord.
What OP? I don't like that OP language.
Branch
you must say that OP number 6 falana पूरा कहबे.
Branch manager SBI Torba, my lord.
Branch manager SBI Torba. So you are for the SBI Torba.
My lord.
So
OP number 5, my lord. Branch manager SBI Nawada branch, Kadim district, Azamgarh, Uttar Pradesh, my lord.
So what happened after? I mean, there was. So they have not done anything.
No, my lord. They did not reverse the amount, my lord.
What is the reason why not doing?
My lord,
if there is something wrongly done, it is the duty of the bank to rectify it.
Your lordship kindly have a glance too.
I'm not glancing anything, sir. Answer me orally.
this amount was to be reversed, what has happened? The amount which has been credited in the account of one Ram Swarup Kahar.
I know, yes.
Yes, he has died. He has died. Unless his legal has come forward and they participated, the amount cannot be credited or refunded, my lord. Or else there must be some order by this honorable court. That is the reasoning given under Annex
What is the
6.
amount, sir? What is the amount?
88,674.
That is the reasoning given in what?
My lord, reasoning given in Annex 6, I am just placing. This is a letter issued by Centralized Receipt and Processing Center, CRPC, RBI, my lord. Page 20, your lordship, paragraph 2. SBI, the beneficiary bank, has submitted that they tried to contact the beneficiary and they got to know that the beneficiary has
You are
died.
reading page number 19.
My lord?
Which page are you reading?
Page 20, your lordship.
20.
My lord. Paragraph 2, your lordship. SBI, the beneficiary bank, has submitted that they tried to contact the beneficiary and they got to know that the beneficiary has died. Bank has put hold in the beneficiary account. Further, bank has submitted that they will be able to refund the amount either on instructions of law enforcing agency or at the time of deceased account settlement to legal hands. As there is no service deficiency by the bank, your complaint has been closed at our end. This is what, my lord, CRPC has.
That is fine, CRPC, but here the issue is
Refund of that amount.
refund of that amount.
My lord.
Whether the person dies or when mistake has been committed.
My lord, instructions of law enforcing agency is required, my lord, first point. And that has been done, my lord.
What is the law, what instruction from the law enforcement agency?
Notice has been issued by this honorable court, my lord. That is sufficient, my lord.
Fine, but which law enforcing agency will enforce that, carry out the instruction? It's a very typical case. I mean, where you have, the bank, whose negligence it is, he has given in the form. So you have given in the right, the account number, name, everything was right.
My lord, it is the mistake. It is due to the
No, which mistake? Have you? There is two mistake can be at two point. One point. You are filling up the form. To whom you are sending the money, the name and account number, everything. So that is properly done by you or
Yes.
not?
Properly done, my lord.
So it's correct. Whatever he says.
What bank manager OP number 6 has admitted that it has wrongly been credited in the account of someone.
But otherwise, he has given the right name, right account number.
My lord, this is a
Two things, sir.
Yes,
That's
madam.
very clear. If a customer goes and remit the money to some account, first thing the customer has to give the right account details, name, etc.
My lord.
Including the IFSC code, blah blah blah.
Yes, my lord.
Right? Has he given everything right?
No, what?
No, answer that. Has he given everything right?
Possibly he has committed mistake in entering.
Who committed mistake?
The petitioner who sent the money, my lord. Possibly.
You must have some proof of that.
We have admitted that it has wrongly been entered into someone's account.
Fine, sir.
My lord.
See, suppose I have given a particular account number.
Yes, sir.
While your clerk or cashier feeding the number, he might have suppose wrongly typed. That can also be a mistake.
Yes, I consider.
Now the question is, whose mistake it is? Whether the cashier mistake or his mistake? You must have some document there.
Yes.
You find out.
Yes, I will find out.
The
I will find out.
My lord, page 10, my lord, annexure 1. Screenshot, my lord. It is
Annexure 1.
Annexure 1, page 10, my lord.
Oh, this is by phone pay.
Phone pay, my lord. Yes, phone pay.
OP number 1, my lord, phone pay. Samir Nigam.
But phone pay is again another the payment as a good gateway. Is there anybody from the payment gateway? There is a payment corporation of India, sir. You have made him party, I think.
Yes. OP number 7 euros.
Is he appearing for that? Payment Corporation. No, I want to say whose mistake. If you have committed mistake, wrong number you have given, then bank is not liable.
Bank is not liable.
Not liable at all. If bank has wrongly typed and it has gone to some other's account,
Yes,
bank
liability is on the bank.
It is a
So you
mistake.
just get that what who
I will take instruction.
Learn concept this bank is related
My lord,
to
it is the mistake of PhonePe, my lord, OP number 1.
let me take the first clarify from the bank. Okay, whether you have given the right address, right name, right account number, right IFSC code, right? These three things. The bank is directed to find out whether the petitioner has submitted right account number, right bank details, right bank details, and the beneficiary's name and number, account number, name and account number.
Phone pay number.
PhonePe number. Okay,
Obliged.
PhonePe. After that, I will see.
Because in PhonePe, only we have to type the phone number.
Phone numbers.
It will be transferred.
Oh, sorry, sir. Then there is no bank's mistake. You can't.
If there commits, if there some mistake is
Let
committed,
PhonePe come. Who is the payment corporation? Why is that?
OP number 7.
OP number
7.
7. To issue a fresh notice to OP number 7.
And your lordship, OP number 1 is PhonePe, proprietor of PhonePe. He is also a party here.
Yes, it's PhonePe. Nobody is appearing from.
Nobody appearing.
No. Why have you made governor of RBI as a party here?
That was a mistake, my lord.
So yeah, I have told you to rectify this mistake.
Not correct. It has been amended, my lord.
Okay. So the fresh notice is issued to the proprietor, PhonePe, and what is the payment corporation? What is it?
OP number 7, Chairman National Payment Corporation of India.
OP number sir, Governor RBI lekha hai ji.
Consolidated petition, my lord, amended, it has been amended, my lord.
Amendment allow him.
Allow nahi? Amended allow kar. OP number 7. OP number 7 ke?
Chairman National Payment Corporation of India, man. OP number 7.
What is?
Amendment posted in C35. Consolidated post.
Also OP number 7. Okay, no, let me first start with it. OP number 7, National Payment Corporation of India. Lord consider the petitioner to file a fresh requisite. Author requisite file करो. Requisite file ही ना करो. इधर. Fresh requisite. Let's solve the problems.
Yes,
whatever
ma'am.
way.
Yes.
It will take time, but at least they should also know that these kind of things are happening.
My lord.
May I suggest one?
Yeah.
Only bank can give the information whether that phone number belongs to that account number or not. It is because that phone number in which the petitioner has transferred, it is belongs to that account number or not. That's only bank
That
can.
instruction bank will obtain.
Account number to the beneficiary belongs to the phone number where the money was spent, money was remitted, has to be accepted by the bank.
And my lord, one thing I may suggest, name of OP number 2 be deleted because as per information available, he is dead now. The proceeding cannot drawn against a dead person. OP number 2, Murli Ram Kahar.
क्या लिटिगेशन लगा दे मिस्टर जोशी लिटिगेशन तो एंड नहीं होता interstate litigation. Anyway, so the learned concept of the bank submit that since the OP number 2 is, has passed away as per the information received from the
CRPC, my lord. Central,
Go to here,
Centralized Receipt and Processing Center of RBI,
Centralized Decision Processing Center of RBI.
by
Hence
Annexure
his-
6.
Hence, his name may be deleted. Since he is dead. This is dead. Let them come then, we'll see. Check
Miller,
that.
Miller.
And you file a press requisite, Mr. Joshi.
My lord.
File press requisite. There may be some person there who will be helping you. Some person from High Court will be there. Will be helping you how to file the requisite. List the matter on 22nd August. Hello? 22nd, no, I have to get it. 28th August. 28th August.
Obliged.
Let's see.
Obliged.
Next,
33,
33.
Your Honor. Notice was issued and served to opposite party Qatar Central Cooperative Bank, but you are returned back. Allowed to file fresh equities.
Now the price requisite. Along with Dasti. Hala? Kotak Dasti.
Reasonable.
Along with Dasti. Dasti. Price requisite and Dasti. That is allowed. Next.
34,
Well, 34, I'm for appear for OP number 1, Raju Diwangan. Time for the counter minus 2
What is the
after.
issue? What is the issue?
That's,
What is the issue, sir?
paper पर किसी आसी नहीं कल just
कि petitioner पे किया है?
petitioner.
No, I am on behalf of Mr. D Movement. I pray for an adjournment.
Adjournment पे appear କରୁଛନ୍ତି?
No, I am on
I'm
behalf
for-
of Mr. D Movement, petitioner.
I'm for the opposite party number 1, Raju Diwangan.
Motion, notice is ହେଇଛି?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Sufficient?
Yes.
Sufficient ହେଇଛି?
Counter ପାଇଁ 2 weeks after.
Sufficient ହେଇଛି? ଆଉ ଯେ ପାଇଯାଇଛନ୍ତି? ଆଉ ସବୁ ପାର୍ଟି ହେଇଯାଇଛି? ଗୋଟେ single party ନା? Single. Okay, ଠିକ ଅଛି. You want to file reply?
Reply 2 weeks after months.
Lord Constable, the opposite party, 2 weeks time to file the reply, is the matter on 22nd. Next.
35,
35.
Sorry, my lord, today I filed the requisites, my lord.
Okay, Lord Constable, the petition submitted that he has filed the requisite today, list the matter. The rest to process the matter. One is up.
Obliged.
Process for listing. Next.
36,
36. Thirty-six.
Sir, the written note along with the day chart I am filing today. My lord, the matter relates to termination of Anganwadi worker, my lord. The lords, we have a glance the
My lord, the fast read petition is dependent on the tagged one, my lord. Because
that is also related because
your lordship may
when
take
my
up
appeal was pending,
12576 fast.
now when my appeal was pending, another person was appointed. Intentionally, the CDPO appointed another person. She is the opposite part number 6 in my read petition. My lord, what had happened? I was selected in the year 2010. I joined in service on 21 January 2010. While I was discharging my duties in the year 2014, a show cause notice under Annexure 2, page 18 was served on me with certain allegations. I submitted my reply to that. That was not considered. and under annexure 3, I was terminated from, I was disengaged from service. Challenging that order of disengagement, I prefer edit petition before this honorable court, and this honorable court directed that since it is appellable order, I had filed that writ application on the ground that no natural justice was followed. I was not given an opportunity. However, this honorable court directed the petitioner to prefer an appeal, and accordingly I filed the appeal. But my appeal was not accepted despite the direction of this honorable court on the ground that the collector, the regular collector Baleswar is not there. A additional collector is discharging the duties of collector. Again, I approached this honorable court, and this honorable court directed that whoever is in charge, he has to accept the appeal and to decide the same. And my appeal was allowed. My order of disengagement was set aside, and I was allowed to discharge my duties. I joined in service.
Then what happened?
Thereafter, my lord, when I was discharging I was not assigned any work. Because in the meantime, when my appeal was pending, another person was appointed.
Oh.
And that person preferred the writ petition is the subsequent writ petition. That person preferred the writ petition. When the collector has set aside the order of the disengagement of the petitioner got appointment. That order has been challenged by the subsequent writ petition.
Is there any stay?
There is a stay.
Now you are,
No, he has been disengaged.
No, I am going to.
Now,
But I am
again,
not,
that
I am
disengagement,
not
matter,
allowed to
again, the
discharge my
petitioner is
duties.
challenged.
so that case is also pending here today.
Yes, Miller.
That is
one,
connected
Miller.
matter.
Sub item 2.
Any other person appearing for that?
Yes, sir, that Kashyap was appearing.
Mr. Kashyap used to have.
Let's do one thing first. The CDP Remuna, why did she engage a person when
Yes, ma'am.
the appeal was pending?
Pardon, Miller?
When appeal was pending, why did she engage another person?
Miller, there is no stay actually. There is no stay.
Okay.
No, that doesn't.
Only by filing, by mere filing of the appeal cannot.
No, my statutory appeal is pending. My statutory appeal is pending.
But
Not,
appeal pending without stay, sir, he can do that.
collector to again mo number ta bhi kale kana move the college a regular collector only to harass the petitioner and to accommodate that OP number 6. All those things were managed.
But the other person, can you inform Mr. Kashyap? I'm fixing a date for that.
Well,
Let us finish it.
Yes,
You just inform him. Learn Kashyap for the petitioner. He is in the other matter.
It is in other matter.
Here, my lord, in the.
Okay, simply I'm urgent because let it the matter be heard. Let it the matter be kept for final hearing on 8th August. You just intimate him.
Your lordship may mention.
Mr.
That is
Kashyap.
on 16, my lord.
Your
Mr.
lordship.
Kashyap.
On 16.
Your lordship may mention in item number sub item 1 in writ petition number 12576 of 2000 non appears.
12576
of 2015.
In writ petition number 12576 of 2000 non appears. Mr. Kashyap, the state submit that Mr. Kashyap appears on behalf of the petitioner in the said in the present writ petition. And he is directed to appear. The next date of testing. Filing with the case will be, the court will proceed expert.
Lordship called on 16, my lord. Your lordship fixed it to 8. I pray on 16.
Okay, 16. Next.
37.
37.
May I please, your lordship, on behalf of Mr. F. Bose, under the petitioner challenge the entire selection procedure of Anganwadi worker on the ground that for OP number 6,
Which Anganwadi worker, which is the block?
Patnagarh block.
Patna village.
Balangir.
Village Balangir.
Counter My with lordship's permission, here I am for the private opposite party who has been benefited with selection. Unfortunately, the local lawyer, he had some neuro problem and everything, for which reason I couldn't take instruction from him. Will your lordship be kind? I am for the private opposite party number 6, Pinky Bariha. Actually, I am trying to contact the client directly. ଖାଲି ଗୋଟେ 10 ଦିନ ପରେ ଆସିବ। I think the state also has not, state has to play a major role in
What
this
is,
matter.
what is the issue?
No, no, we have already filed the counter.
And then I have not been given a copy, my lord.
What is the issue?
Issue involved is that, my lord,
Hmm.
the opposite party number 6 was not present at the time of verification, in which verification date was fixed.
Hmm.
All other candidates have been appeared
Hmm.
and their documents have been verified.
Hmm.
The present petitioner has been selected as number 1.
You're now working?
No, my lord, they have later what happened, the CDPO fixed another date for verification of document.
Hmm.
On that date, no candidate has been informed. The only OP number 6 has been appeared and her document has been verified.
Hmm.
Thereafter, the selection was made for OP number 6, my lord. That has been challenged. Once the verification has been done in a particular date, how can the CDPO extend the same for the particular person who has not appeared on the same
What
date?
is your answer?
My lord, on 19/6, the date was there for verification of the documents. But for some reason of 19/6.
All candidates are there?
All candidates.
They have been verified?
No, my lord.
Why?
But due to non-available of the selection committee members,
Hmm.
it has been adjourned for the next day, my lord.
Hmm.
It has only a notice has been affixed without intimating the date, my lord, to the petitioner.
You have intimated the candidate.
On the next date, except the.
If you don't intimate, how they?
That's what
No.
that's what I'm.
On your-
That's what I'm
it is
submitting.
Not the duty of the this
My lord,
committee
my lord,
to send
that's
notice to them?
that's what I'm submitting, my lord. On the next date, except opposite party number 6,
Hmm.
everybody appears.
If everybody
Everybody appears and their documents were verified.
except
Then-
opposite party number
Opposite party number 6, my lord,
Okay.
for which my lord and senior is appear.
Ah.
Then, my lord, opposite party number 6 approached the selection committee that I could not able to get the date.
Hmm.
Another opportunity may be given to me. So the selection committee has decided and given another opportunity to the opposite party number 6. And she has been selected as number 1.
She is meritorious.
Meritorious.
Then
That is
the
under
other
challenge.
candidates?
That is under challenge.
Meritorious than the other candidates?
Other candidates.
Meritorious in what sense?
That chart I have to prepare, it is not there.
No, tell me what is that? Mark wise,
Mark wise they do it.
She is highest?
Mark wise she is highest, my client.
Ah.
And that has been dealt with also in the appellate order, which my learned friends, client petitioners
Mark wise
filed
highest?
appeal.
Mark wise highest?
Highest.
Mark,
She is from the same village?
and,
Same village.
and
Everything.
she is,
Residential survey not an issue?
nah, she is continuing for last 7 years, your lordship.
Your lordship kindly
I'll
see.
dismiss it.
No, your lordship kindly see for a moment.
No, nothing, no moment. Unnecessary you are dragging the litigation file to them.
No, my lord, but verification date is
What
extra-
verification, everybody is present.
No.
If they gave a time, yours have been verified?
Yes.
If the selection committee deem it proper that he should be given a chance, he will be given a chance. What is the problem?
It should be for all, my lord.
Why for all? Yours have already been done. If you have, your cases have been
As per-
verified, just a minute. If your cases have been verified, then why should another chance be given to you? On that day somehow he requested and
My lord, I have already selected.
you
Objection
what
was been-
selected? Verification doesn't mean selection, sir.
No, when the objection has been completed, on
Nothing
that
going-
the notice
I'm
was published. Your
I'm
lordship can see
dismissing.
the page 15.
I am dismissing it. Simply I'm nothing. Unnecessary litigation करेंगे लंबे लंबे चल
Page 16 ने
You are
लिखा है,
continuing? You are continuing?
I am continuing, I stood
That is-
fast
You have continued, you have, you are.
since 2016, your lordship.
Why should it be disturbed unnecessary?
7 ବର୍ଷ ହେଇଗଲାଣି.
हाँ तो चालू से कहाँ आके जो dismiss next item. Dismiss.
Obliged.
Detail order follow.
Obliged.
Next
38,
38.
Thirty-eight, my lord, I am appearing today. I am appearing for the opposite party number 6, my lord.
Who is for the petitioner? You are for the petitioner.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the issue?
The notice has gone. Today he has appeared. And
We have already filed the counter.
yesterday I have received the show cause of the from the government.
I'll file. I am continuing.
So you want to file the counter?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Learn cause for the OP number
File
6,
frame.
no 6.
No, 6.
Is granted 2 weeks time to file the counter. List the matter on 24th. Okay. Next.
My name may be indicated.
Your lordship has fixed it to
24th.
24th. My name may be
If the
indicated and
petitioner
I
wants,
will.
he may file the rejoinder also. against-
Pleading may be completed like this. The parties are ready to complete the pleading within 2 weeks. List the matter on 24th. That
30
means everything. Pleadings mean rejoinder, counter, everything. Next,
39.
39.
Item number 39.
Non-APS.
The second time it is coming, notice has already been issued, we have already filed the counter on behalf of the state.
Non-APS. How did it? 5th September. Next,
Item number 41.
41. इधर reply file ही जी.
एथरे reply file है ये.
हाँ?
39 है reply file.
ये नाहन दिया था. Last time नहीं ला last.
No, last time time. नहीं.
Last time notice issue है
Next,
41.
2014 matter notice last time is la.
नहीं 39 में लॉट.
39.
Oh,
40 का
39.
तो adjourn
Oh,
है.
sorry. Okay. The 40.
40 or somebody has mentioned it has been adjourned to 23 August.
Item number 41.
41. देख लो. Defect. As per office report, defects.
Paper on the notice.
Number 11, 9 and 25 as per SR not removed. Since the matter is pertaining to the year 2018 and the defects have not been removed, it shows that the petitioner is not interested in pursuing the matter and dismissed. Next, this is for non-prosecution. Next.
42.
Non-present available. Next, 42.
But may appear also. Well, here in this case, my lord, the petition is a widow, my lord, of an employee, my lord. Her husband, while working as crusher operator, my lord, died on this spot, my lord.
Non-clearance of check by OP number 2.
Non-clearance of check.
Check was deposited with the State Bank and it was sent for clearance. That was not received.
What is the problem?
The other bank should come, Oriental Bank of Commerce. Since Oriental Bank of Commerce has been merged to PNB, so he has to change and issue fresh notice.
You change this thing. Branch manager, Oriental Bank of Commerce, Oriental Commerce is not more there, so it is PNB, it should be PNB. Hala, change karo to. Land Council petitioner is directed to change the memo of parties and file a consolidated memo with parties with amendment. Hala. This is the matter on 8th August.
Let's look at another notice is there, my lord. Notice was issued, my lord.
अरे सर कर दियंतु नोटिस भूल जे बस से जाए के आसु नांती बे पीएनबी तो बदल गलाने आके दिया जाओ और सर नेक्स्ट
43.
Madam, Government of India has introduced a accidental insurance scheme. Basing on that, petitioner.
Sorry?
In this case, my lords, I am appearing for the opposite party number 6, my lords.
Who is opposite party 6, sir?
6, my lords, Universal Sompo General Insurance, my lords. Universal Sompo General Insurance. Universal Sompo.
Insurance company.
Insurance company, my lords.
Universal
So
Sompo.
I pray 2 weeks time to file the counter, my lords.
My lord, I am appearing on behalf of opposite party number 4 and 5. I have already filed the counter.
Okay.
I have to copy the email.
Trying to file the counter. Let counter and rejoinder be filed within the pleading be complete within next 4 weeks. List the matter on September 11.
Deep level.
Pleading complete means the counter rejoinder file कर देंगे ना. How detail में next
44.
44. 44. 44 के ना दे 44
Non-appearance.
Last time none appears.
Last time none appears. Second time.
Last time none appears. None appears. It seems that the other none appears. It seems that the petition not dismissed. Next.
45.
45.
45, my lord, on behalf of Mr. GP Datta, lordship may take it up some other day.
Why?
Because he is unwell, my lord.
Huh?
Because he is unwell.
Unwell.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
argue. What is the problem? You argue.
No, my lord, I am,
You argue.
this is,
You should have read the file and come.
I would already read, but this is a critical bank ombudsman matter, my lord. That's
So what is critical? Not a rocket science which you can't argue. Have you read this file?
Yes, sir.
You read it? Then argue.
No.
I'll help you. Argue.
I am prepared, but not, not.
Please, whatever you have prepared, you argue. I'll help you. If you are stuck up somewhere, I'll help. Don't worry.
I have instructed to only adjourn the matter. my
Okay,
lord.
I'm instructing you to argue the matter. Okay, please argue. Now argue. Please argue the matter.
My lord, this is a case of opposite party number 1, initiate proceeding to learned insurance ombudsman, state of Odisha, Bhubaneswar. My lord, there is a premium 3,801 dated.
You are for the Reliance.
I am for the Reliance General Insurance Co. Ltd, my lord.
So what have you challenged here?
My lord, the
You
accident.
challenge the order of ombudsman.
Yes, well, there is the insurance covering period is 27 2021 to 26
Correct,
7 2021.
Yes.
There is a petitioner covering act liability, but the said vehicle, my lord.
What is act liability?
But I am not.
What do you mean? Act liability. Act liability.
I'm actually not prepared, my lord. That's why.
Okay. You will argue provided. Prepare. What is act liability?
Yes.
What kind of liability? How many liabilities are there in insurance? You read everything.
Yes, my lord.
Go and read an insurance law book.
Yes.
And okay.
Next date, I will
This is the
prepare.
matter on 9th of August.
Obliged, lord.
Next.
46.
And please, your lordship, this is a medical negligence case where they don't have ICU facility. They have conducted the operation. After the operation, the patient was shifted to another hospital where he is having the ICU facility. And after that, she died.
You are for the
And due
petitioner.
to the death, I am for the petitioner, man.
So what is your problem?
And after due to that, my lord, they don't have minimum medical facility and they have made the operation of the wife of the petitioner, for which she has died.
Which
And
which is the hospital?
nursing home,
Which nursing
Devi
home?
nursing home in College Square. Devi nursing home.
Okay, what happened?
And they have made operation on 16/11/2017 in their nursing home. Though the patient is having low blood pressure and low hemoglobin, and they don't have the ICU
Sir,
facility.
one thing, just a minute, sir, just a minute. Was there any medical committee? I mean, they went into the cause of death. Anything? Any report is there?
No, I have lodged a FIR, and that was final form was filed, and I filed protest petition there. And thereafter, the court took cognizance.
I am for the doctors, opposite part number 4 to 6, my lord.
Doctor.
And the hospital and Swastik hospital, another hospital is there. He has made the party.
So who is your hospital and who conducted the surgery?
My lord, OP 4 and 5, my lord.
OP?
OP 4, my lord.
4 and 5.
4 and 5.
4 and 5.
You conducted the surgery.
Yes, ma'am.
So and the patient died.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the reason for the death?
My lord, in this regard, we will file the counter, my lord, detailed counter in this case, my lord. Maybe taken off any other date, we will file the counter and.
How long will take?
2 weeks may be given because the 2 weeks may be given.
Okay. Let some time be given, sir, because
My lord.
they want to file the counter.
and let them file their count.
Okay, now 2 weeks time granted for filing the counter, list the matter on 21st August. Huh? File a
47.
reply. But have you, is there any inquiry for the cause of death conducted by any authority? No.
Only my police.
Only police. And he is having criminal antecedent, same type of criminal
Police,
antecedent.
what is the police report says?
Police report says the doctor done the operation in proper manner, there is no fault only. And I have filed protest petition, and after that magistrate took cognizance against the doctor.
You are what is the doctor, your doctor saying? What is he saying?
I have not taken instruction regarding that. I will
In the nursing home having no valid license also.
in that regard. I have to take instruction. I have to call the doctors and file the counter
You
matter.
also file your the opposite party. The
4 to
nursing
6,
home,
man. 4 to 6.
4 to 6 is required to file the details of the license.
Married.
File the
They
license.
don't have valid license also.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. The details of
Yes,
license.
Yes, madam.
Allah.
May I pray, my lord? To Lordship may direct the government to produce the criminal antecedent of the doctor. I have having the another affair, same type of issue. Criminal, he has criminal antecedent.
State is also directed to
କୋଉ ଥାନାରେ ଯଦି କହିଦେବେ ମୁଁ
file
ମାଗିଦେବି
the
Malgodam
antecedent of the doctor like that, antecedent of the doctor, criminal antecedent.
antecedent କୋଉ police station ରେ
Malgodam PS.
Malgodam police station. The case, you find out that from the Malgodam police station. Okay, list the matter on. 21st.
47.
47.
And for the LIC of India, the insurer.
Well, the petitioner, sir.
The counsel for the petition will be taking several dates for filing a rejoinder. And the facts are, 4 policies were taken by the life assured husband of the nominee petitioner. 3 were assigned to the Puri Urban and Rural Road Bank. And the sum assured was given after his death to the bank, because the account and the 4th policy that has elapsed 4 months before the death of the life assured. And nothing.
And every time the petitioner is asking for time.
For filing, because he has no case. He also taken the correct view. In a lapsed condition.
No, I'm dismissing.
For default.
No, every time he's asking for time.
Yes.
For the last 5 or 6 occasions, every time he's asking for time.
On the virtual mode, he's from Puri, addressing your
Virtual
lordship.
mode.
Without
Since the
accruing any
petitioner is not
paid
interested to pursue the matter, the previous order sheets reflects that the petitioner is only engaged in seeking time to file the rejoinder. Seeking time on some pretext, some ground or other. The petitioner is granted a last chance to appear before this court, failing which the matter shall be heard as well. List the matter on 14th August. Put a chance last time.
48.
48. My lords.
Yes, in item number 48 and 49, we have already got the instruction. We'll file the counter appeal.
Okay, 48, 49. The state 6 times to file a counter, 2 weeks time, 17, 18 days, 18 days. Next.
50.
May it your lordship. My lord, this is an application appeal 55 of 2014. I am on a visit. My lord, my assistant will hand over a note of submission to your lordship. Audible, my lord?
Yes.
And the list of citations. My lord, here the claim, my lord, now has come down to 2 items, my lord.
Sorry, sorry.
Pardon, my lord?
I couldn't hear you, sir. Can you repeat? Can you repeat, sir?
My lord, exhibits. My lord, now the claim items have been reduced to 2, my lord, which have been granted by the London District Judge also. My lord, the 2 items are, my lord, one is the payment for lead distance and the other is compensation for breach of contract. These are the 2 items now remain for adjudication by your lordship. My lord, what has happened here? The claimant is a transporter of coal from Kalinga CHP to Jagannath siding, my lord.
You are for the Mahanadi coalfield?
Yes, my lord. I am appearing for Mahanadi coalfield.
Okay.
I have filed the appeal.
Okay.
My lord, the main dispute is whether it will be paid for siding or it will be paid on average basis. That is the dispute, my lord. My lord, I will just take your lordship to exhibit R9, annexure 4, my lord.
Annexure?
Page 84, my lord. Which will explain, which I will explain to your lordship.
84.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, your lordship see, it is calling our state fee is the starting point, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, X, my lord, XA, then my lord, AOC, then my lord, CDE, then my lord, this is where the measurement is taken. What is the amount of coal? Then my lord, it is decided that either it will come to F, that is siding number 1, spot number 1 or spot number 2. That is my lord, H, my lord, GH. The lordship change. My lord, up to 96, my lord, this was the only route, my lord. After 96, my lord, this dispute relates to the agreement of 1996 to 2001. The lordship would kindly see the dispute now is he claims that there was in 96, my lord, because of the award accident, there was a change of route, my lord. It was, my lord, the other route, my lord, A, B, C, A, B, my lord. That is the route that was changed, my lord, while returning. While going, my lord, it is the route, and while coming, my lord, it is another route. So, but you are being paid, as your lordship would kindly see, this chart, my lord, as per page 84. My lord, while going, my lord, it has been calculated at 8.81 kilometer.
Just what is the central issue? These are all, I mean, on the question of the basically when in the 37, what is the main issues on the 34 court? What is the order passed by the 34 court which you are aggrieved?
Whether it will be paid on one spot basis or it will be different entities, my lord. That is the issue, my lord.
Arbitrator has decided why this court is good, on what basis it will be paid.
Yes, my lord. Your lordship will kindly see the, he has admitted that he was being paid on average basis, my lord.
Can this court go into all these factual, sir? Why this court should go into all these things? Arbitrator has already decides whatever. If there is any just, the 37 courts, interference is very limited interference.
My lord,
Yeah.
I beg to submit, my lord. This is contrary to the agreement, my lord. They have gone. That is what I.
Anything contrary to agreement be set aside?
Your lordship
Is it that so-called public policy as
Yes, my lord. That's
they are
what-
in 34 2B,
Yes, my lord.
2AB?
I want to show to your lordship
Yeah.
that ONGC judgment where they say.
First, let's get on in this case, which are the mistakes of 34 court?
Yes, my lord, I have, your lordship kindly see, I have given that ONGC judgment, my lord,
Yes,
which has been explained, my lord, public policy.
yes.
The lordship kindly see.
Can we hear at 2 p.m.?
Yes,
2
ma'am.
p.m.
Yes, ma'am.